even with this squad that he has in hand, you can still construct a fairly
Yeah.
workable test team if you had someone with half the brains. But the ineptitude is like एक संगी एट द टॉप का जो क्लासिक इन्होंने जो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दिया है देश के सामने, मैंने
Hmm.
अभी एक ट्वीट किया था कि बेसिकली क्या होता है कि विथ politicians it's easier to fool people, right? Because you have गोदी मीडिया, इकोनॉमिक इंडेक्स खराब हो रहा है, फॉर्मूला बदल दो, रास्ते कम बन रहे हैं तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय टू डाल दो, सब कर सकते हैं। तो क्योंकि कोई आदमी मेजर नहीं कर सकता है पूरे देश में कितना सड़क बना, मैं कर सकता हूँ क्या? मेजर नहीं। तो पब्लिक को पब्लिक हमेशा सोचता है विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू कंट्रीज डेवलपमेंट कहीं और हो रहा है वो। माई रोड इज बैड बट मे बी इट्स हैपनिंग इन मध्य प्रदेश, मेरा बॉम्बे में रास्ता खराब है, मध्य प्रदेश का रास्ता अच्छा, मध्य प्रदेश वाला सोचता है बॉम्बे में अच्छा है, देन एवरीवन थिंक्स ऑफ दिस। तो बेवकूफ बना सकते हो। स्पोर्ट के साथ वो है कि 2-0 है, अभी क्या करेगा? अभी गोदी मीडिया स्पिन कर सकता है क्या कि वो तो साउथ अफ्रीका हार गया था? यू कैन नॉट डू दैट ना। तो गंभीर को यहाँ वहां मार खा गया वो। रेव स्पोर्ट्स कितना भी तुमको करे तुम्हारे लिए पेंडर, बट रेव स्पोर्ट्स स्कोर लाइन नहीं बदल सकता है ना।
Hi, this is Sharda Ugra.
Hello, this is Muhammad Isam.
Hi, this is Pradeep Magazine.
This is Behram Kazi.
Welcome to the PCCI podcast.
That's four in a row. There is good. They're going to blow next.
The prodigal son turned Messiah gets his second hundred in successive.
India have won in dramatic style. The whole of Bengal are on their feet.
Diego! Not that important. He's gone the next ball. The dream has diminished for Carlos Brathwaite. Unbelievable scenes here at the Broadway.
तो बटालवी जी के शब्दों से शुरू करते हैं कि इंसाफ तो नहीं है इस दुनिया में, बस कभी कदार हम कैदी लोग जेलर के फिसल के गिरने पर मुस्कुरा लेते हैं। तो ये अब श्रोताओं के ऊपर छोड़ देते हैं कि हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, क्या बात कर रहे हैं। और इसी के साथ आज मैं इस पॉडकास्ट में वत्सल का भी क्या बोलते हैं, वेलकम करना चाहूँगा। ये हमारे रेगुलर वत्सल नहीं है, ये एक और वत्सल है। जैसा कि हमारे पास दो आदित्य है, अब दो वत्सल भी हो गए।
बाय एट सम पॉइंट एवरी लिसनर विल बी अ स्पीकर। ये हमारा मॉडल है, पिरामिड स्कीम है।
ऋचा के पास आज एक हमारे पास खेलने के लिए गेम है।
यस। तो इस गेम में बेसिकली जो करंट दो प्लेइंग स्कूल्स ऑफ थॉट जो है क्रिकेट में, बेसिकली वन स्कूल ऑफ थॉट इज बेसबॉल and one school of thought is gambol, which is whatever Gautam Gambhir says goes. Okay, so in this game, basically, I'm going to give you a snippet of something that either one of them has said, and you have to guess which one it is. And I'm going to alter it a little bit, just so that you know to account for English differences between the two. Okay, so I'm going to start with this game. Okay. So the first dialogue is, a lot of times I think players are right, but sometimes you need to have a firm hand. You just need to tell them what to do in a specific situation. ये किसने कहा है?
ये तो गंभीर जी नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि उनके हाथ में प्लेयर्स है ही नहीं, उनके हाथ में कंट्रोल ही नहीं है।
बट बोल तो
तो
सकते हैं।
ये मेरे, हाँ एक्चुअली ही इज लाइक हैरी बॉश, कहते हैं डू एज आई से नॉट एज आई डू।
एग्जैक्टली।
तो मेरी तरफ
Aditya?
से आंसर फिर भी ब्रेंडन मैककलम है।
Yes, that's actually correct. It is Brendan McCullum, but it sounds a lot like something Gambhir could say.
सेम, दैट्स व्हाट आई थॉट।
uh, I think
I think
Aditya
I
is
think I think
frozen.
he's like, I can imagine Gambhir like putting his hand on KL Rahul's shoulder and telling him this कि भाई स्पिन कैसे खेलना है ना, मैं सिखाता हूँ तेरे को।
That's right. The next dialogue. Okay, now we have Aditya back. So, Aditya, the first dialogue was Baz. The next one is, I believe in backing players and helping them out with their game. Who said this?
दैट साउंड्स लाइक अ मकालम कोट टू मी।
Aditya? MB? Okay.
अगेन ब्रेंडन मैककलम।
Mm, Actually, it's Gautam Gambhir. I believe in backing players and helping them out with their game is a Gautam Gambhir quote. If we lose, then we'll deal with that when it comes. To me, the important thing is to have a good environment.
ये मैकलम।
ये तो गंभीर है, क्योंकि जितना एनवायरनमेंट उन्होंने खराब किया है उससे ज्यादा और कौन कर सकता है।
क्योंकि मैंने आज सुना नहीं है गंभीर का प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस, तो मेरे हिसाब से मैकलम जैसे लग रहा
नहीं
है,
नहीं,
क्योंकि गोल्फ खेलना है उनको।
रिचा ने रसीदों के साथ पुराने पुराने
ओ
कोट्स
ओके
निकाले हैं भाई।
ओ
पुराने quotes निकाले हैं. Yeah.
ओके।
Gambhir as well.
So I believe in backing players and helping them out with their game is actually a Gautam Gambhir quote. It's not Baz. Okay. Sometimes you need to give credit to the opposition. Who said this?
Gambhir, I think.
ये गंभीर बोला होगा। आई डोंट थिंक मैकलम ऑपोजिशन को सिर्फ क्रेडिट नहीं देता है।
Technically, उन्होंने ट्रेविस हेड को बहुत क्रेडिट दिया to deflect the blame from
बिकॉज
them.
व्हाट दे डू इज कि जैसे ट्रेविस हेड भी बेसबॉल खेलता है,
Yeah.
जैसे डकेट ने बोला था ना कि
जायसवाल के
यशस्वी
लिए.
Yeah,
जायसवाल
Jaiswal.
लर्न फ्रॉम अस।
So, MV, where does your vote go?
थिंक दिस इज गौतम गंभीर।
Yeah, that's right. That's good. The next one is going to be, I think, easier. It used to hurt me that people didn't think I had the technique or temperament to play Test cricket.
Gambhir.
गंभीर आफ्टर द बॉयकॉट रूबी
Aditya?
गंभीर गंभीर।
Yeah, that's right.
इतना insecure हो ही सकता है. McCallum is not
हाँ
insecure, I feel.
I don't celebrate individual performances.
ये तो
said
डेफिनेट
this?
गंभीर,
ये
तो डेफिनेट गंभीर।
Siachen.
ये तो वो दिस गोज
सियाचिन
बैक
है।
टू एक सिक्स ने हमको नहीं जिताया वो वाला, मतलब
Yes.
गोज बैक टू दोस डेज।
But I'm the
Yeah.
same guy. But I'm the same guy who won in
Who
England.
won you the
I'm the
Champions
same
Trophy?
guy
वन इन
who
इंग्लैंड
won you
नहीं,
the Champions.
इंग्लैंड में कहाँ
इंग्लैंड में हमने
जीते?
अच्छा किया था। इंग्लैंड में हम
अच्छा
अच्छा किए
किया
थे।
So
बट अभी
this,
नाउ व्हेन यू लुक बैक एट हाँ गो अहेड।
nahin, I think he says this even. I think he says this even now. Like he doesn't look at individual performances, but then when they point out in the opposition, ki oh Harmer had a really good day, or Harmer had a really good performance, that's not counting their role in that, right?
नाउ इफ यू लुक बैक एट द इंग्लिश समर ना इस साल का, तो
Hmm.
इट वाज बेसिकली लाइक मतलब नॉनसेंस वर्सेस नॉनसेंस। मतलब
Yeah.
एक साइड वो दे आर अ डेथ कल्ट, वो साइड में कि
Mhm.
600 का टारगेट 3 सेशन पूरा 10 का 10 विकेट हाथ में, लेकिन बर्मिंघम में हम लोगों को 600 चेस करेंगे। मतलब क्या करने के लिए निकले थे वो लोग बर्मिंघम में? ये गंभीर वाला अल्ट्रा डिफेंसिव माइंडसेट, 600 तक उन लोगों ने डिफेंड मतलब डिक्लेयर किया नहीं। एंड देन फाइनल डे दीस गाइस चोज टू लाइक सेल्फ इमोलेट, मतलब कोई और
Yeah.
इन लोगों को ड्रॉ के लिए जा सकते थे, वो नहीं किया।
Yeah. And even like the Oval Test, they were in a winning position. They just kind
Of
of
course.
threw it away. That was an extremely flattering, like an extremely flattering scoreline at the end. Okay. This one I think you guys will get pretty easily. You are just a groundsman. Who said this? Baz or Gigi?
Oval में Gambhir.
Yes. Baz, who's famously from a working class background, would never say stuff
Yeah,
like
of
this.
course.
Yeah. Okay, and this is a bonus one. This could be anyone, but based on today's context, you have to understand who may have said this. Stats are like a bikini. You either hide or you show.
तो सिद्धू है.
आई विल, ये मैं अभी लोगों को बता दूंगा कि ये विक्रांत गुप्ता जी ने आज नितिन जी को बोला था जब नितिन जी छुपा रहे थे कि वो गंभीर के नंबर 1 फैन है।
नितिन जी ने क्या बोला पता है ना आज?
नितिन जी ने बोला है कि हम गंभीर जी को विरासत में कुछ नहीं
हाँ,
मिला।
तो उन्होंने बोला ऐसे नहीं बताया। उन्होंने बोला जब मैं दिल्ली आया था पहली बार, तो मेरे पिताजी ने मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं छोड़ा था दिल्ली में। मैं अपनी बहुत पर्सनल स्टोरी शेयर कर रहा हूँ। दिल्ली में मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं छोड़ा था, तो मुझे विरासत में कुछ नहीं मिला। दिल्ली में मैंने अपना लाइफ पूरा एकदम जीरो से स्टार्ट किया। तो अब यू माइट बी वंडरिंग कि कहाँ जा रहा है ये कॉन्वर्सेशन, फैमिली में मतलब विरासत में कुछ मिला नहीं, ये सब का क्यों डिस्कस कर रहा है। देन ही सेड उसी तरह गंभीर को भी कुछ नहीं मिला विरासत में। क्या मिला उनको? क्या उनके पास विराट कोहली थे टीम में? क्या उनकी टीम में रविचंद्रन अश्विन थे? मतलब ये सवाल था उसका। कुछ नहीं मिला उनको। तो
पूरी
गंभीर को
पू,
क्या? हाँ।
पूरी की पूरी टेस्ट साइकिल खेलने के लिए लोग नहीं मिले। नितिन जी का सवाल गलत नहीं था। नितिन जी
नितिन जी ऑल्सो देन वेंट ऑन टू से दैट राहुल द्रविड़ को तो सब कुछ मिल गया था, उसके पहले वालों के पास शामी था, वो XYZ था, सब बोल दिया। और थोड़ा पीछे जाके बोल देते थे सारी जिम्मेदारी मतलब नेहरू की है, मतलब दे कुड हैव डन जस्ट दैट, बट विक्रांत गुप्ता के अंदर आज कुछ पता नहीं, जर्नलिस्ट
आज
जाग उठा आज।
आज जर्नलिस्ट जागा था। लाइक द डुअलिटी ऑफ विक्रांत गुप्ता आज देखने को मिला। वैसे जब
Yeah.
वो पहला वीडियो में वो कुछ भी बोले, पहला वीडियो में चाय का कप पीछे पेड़ में फेंक दिया। पहला वीडियो में 26/11 क्या बोलते हैं 2008 को 26/11 2025 से भी कंपेयर
Hey
किया
Ram.
गया। उस
Oh
वीडियो
my
में
God.
उस वीडियो में ये भी बोल दिया कि हम भी क्रिकेट खेले हुए हैं, स्पिन स्पून तो हम आराम से खेल लेते थे।
Spin spoon.
And then, and then he comes on this show, and Nitin is like, I will better you guys. Hold my beer and put roofies in it. Like, वो ऐसा गंभीर का डिफेंड किया कि विक्रांत गुप्ता का जर्नलिस्ट जाग गया अंदर से। इनफैक्ट आज तो ये भी बोलूंगा कि राहुल रावत का भी जर्नलिस्ट जाग गया था, बिकॉज
That's true.
राहुल
इतना
रावत
झगड़ा
ने
किया
किसी
उन्होंने।
ऑडियंस को चिल्ला दिया वो।
अरे वो
उसको किसी ने बोला आप मुझे
ऋषभ
बहुत
पंत वाले।
फ्रस्ट्रेट कर रहे हो यार। नो ऐसा टाइप का कुछ हो गया, मतलब कि ये आप
अरे नहीं, वो
सारा
बंदे
सवाल
ने,
मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो, ऐसा type का।
आप आइए, हम आपको डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाएंगे।
और ये तो रहा मतलब स्पोर्ट्स तक का मतलब एटमोसफियर बोलते हैं। एंड आज ऐसा था कि मतलब सारे लोग मतलब पूरे दिन लाइव ही थे क्या ये लोग? यूट्यूब ने कुछ लिमिट विमिट लगा नहीं रखा है क्या इन लोगों पे कि कितना लाइव कर सकते
नहीं
हैं?
नहीं,
कुछ तो
आज
होना
नहीं
चाहिए
था।
ना लिमिट।
YouTube
क्योंकि
limit लगा
वो गेम चेंजर क्योंकि वो गेम चेंजर का मैंने वीडियो खोला, 5.5 घंटे का चल रहा है वो पता नहीं वो
अरे
लोग सुबह
बीच
से
में,
बैठे हैं शायद।
हाँ, अरे वो बीच में मनोज डिमरी अकेला था। वो बेचारा अकेला ही फ्रस्ट्रेट होके गाली गलौज कर
तो
रहा था।
उसमें एक बंदे ने बोल दिया, उसका किसी का नाम तो पता नहीं, सारे एक जैसे दिखते हैं, बोलते हुए एक तरह से हैं मतलब। तो उसमें एक बंदे ने बोल दिया कि अगर इसके बाद भी इनको धक्के मार के नहीं निकाला ना, तो मैं ये मान बैठूंगा कि ये बीजेपी की वजह से हैं कोच।
ये अब मान बैठेंगे भाई। अपॉइंटमेंट के टाइम में क्यों नहीं पूछा कि भाई इसका
अरे
कोचिंग एक्सपीरियंस क्या है ये लोग।
अपॉइंटमेंट के टाइम जितना हो हल्ला हुआ था कि एक होंडा शेर आया है, अपॉइंटमेंट के टाइम इतना पब्लिसिटी हुआ था कि हियर इज द अल्फा, ये टीम को ठीक करेगा, सुपरस्टार कल्चर खत्म करेगा। सारी चीजें जो लोगों को चाहिए थी उस समय, आई थिंक वो अब सब फेर पलट हो चुका है। बट आई थिंक मीडिया रिव्यू करेंगे, बट आई थिंक आज हमारे श्रोताओं ने पूछा है कि एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सवाल अभिषेक नायर जी ने पूछा है, वो ये है कि
नॉट
टेक्निकल
दैट
एनालिसिस
अभिषेक
कौन
नायर।
देगा। नो, नॉट दैट अभिषेक नायर, दिस इज हमारे श्रोता अभिषेक नायर। उन्होंने पूछा है कि वाई इज इंडिया सो टेरिबल एट प्लेइंग स्पिन, इज देयर एनी टेक्निकल एनालिसिस अवेलेबल। तो मैंने भी सीना ठोक के बोल दिया कि आज आप पीसीसीआई सुने। तो आज मैं हमारे लोगों से पूछना चाहूंगा, स्टार्टिंग विथ वत्सल एंड आदित्य, कि व्हाई इज इंडिया सो पुअर एट प्लेइंग स्पिन। टेक्निकल एनालिसिस दीजिए।
Traditionally also we have been not too great against fast spin, na? मतलब even going back to the Murli Vaughan days, we were better against Vaughan because for some reason
यूपी
wrist
पर
spin in India doesn't do as well. Loopier, like down the wicket आके मार सकते हो, all of that. But Murli was also always harder. Murli didn't have a great time in India, but we were never great against Murli in Sri Lanka. We would assume similar conditions and all that. And that has been a trend for a while now. And I think everything goes back to this fact that there is no way to hit rhythm as a batter in these times, in this WTC era. because your pitches are terrible. मतलब you don't even know which venues you are going to play in, right?
That's a
So
big
the problem is that traditionally in India you knew that अच्छा Bombay, Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi, तो एक तरह collection of venues जो roughly you know कि मोहाली जाओ तो you need fairly bouncy track, चेन्नई रेड सॉइल, बॉम्बे रेड सॉइल, मतलब ये सब था। अभी क्या गुवाहाटी में क्या होगा पिच करके, मतलब किसको पता लगेगा, मतलब या यू डू नॉट नो, लाइक ईडन में सडनली 4 दिन पहले कोई बोल रहा है कि विकेट में गड्ढा खोद के दो, पानी मत दो, मतलब ये कोई होता है क्या नॉर्मल देश में ऐसा? एनी क्रिकेटिंग, यू कैन यू इमेजिन लाइक पैट कमिंस वॉकिंग अप टू द पर्थ क्यूरेटर एंड सेइंग दैट इस पाइप चला दो वहां पे उसके ऊपर, विकेट के ऊपर घास होगा तो, मतलब ये क्या चल रहा है, मतलब ये सब। How would you even blame
पाइप चला
the
दो।
team players for any of these things? मतलब ये सब कॉन्टिनेंट में होता है, पाकिस्तान में भी होता है, मतलब
हाँ, पाकिस्तान में हो रहा है अभी
अभी
पूरा
वही
फुल
चल रहा है
फ्लेज।
ना, वो बंसन
हेयर
बर्नर,
ड्रायर।
मतलब लिटरली
या
हेयर ड्रायर चला के, मतलब ये हाउ इज इट नॉर्मल, मतलब
आई थिंक
व्हाट्स
क्या बोलते हैं, ऑपोजिशन टीम्स भी बहुत अच्छा प्रिपेयर करके आ रहे हैं, मतलब कंपैरेटिवली, लाइक जैसे न्यूजीलैंड दे प्लेड इन श्रीलंका बिफोर कमिंग हियर, एंड लाइक साउथ अफ्रीका, दे आर अप्रोचिंग द सीरीज बेटर, लाइक पहले दे पहले के टाइम से अभी आई फील कि दे आर पिकिंग स्पिनर्स इज वेल, एंड बिग ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज द विकेट्स जो वो बना रहे हैं, they are basically making it a lottery and evening the contest, as we said. And उसके ऊपर से because the wickets have been so bad, the batsmen, they are not accustomed to playing the long innings now, मतलब that is what I feel कि the विकेट पे रह के टिक के खेलना, वो जो एक like Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, the people that came before, they used to do it on a regular basis. These guys have, I mean, maybe Jaiswal or Rahul को मैं देखता हूँ, and maybe Gill, because Gill was a big miss in this series, by the way. Like if he would have been there in this test, I think India would have done slightly better. I feel he did not get a chance to bat. तो उसका उसका एक एब्सेंस, एंड ऑब्वियसली हमारे जो गुरु गंभीर है, उन्होंने जो चॉपिंग एंड चेंजिंग करके, कि मिस प्रोफाइलिंग करके जो मिस रायता बनाया, वो भी क्या बोलते हैं, इज अ वेरी वेरी बिग कंट्रीब्यूटिंग फैक्टर, because nobody has a set spot in the team apart from the openers and Gill, and nobody knows what is going to be his entry point. तो वो क्लैरिटी नहीं होने से भी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स एवरीवन इज फाइटिंग फॉर द प्लेस एवरी इनिंग, तो ये सब भी आई थिंक बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूटिंग फैक्टर्स है फॉर द फेलियर्स।
and also there is an obsession with like winning, whitewash करना है ना होम में, home
Yes.
series can only be a 2-0 3-0 kind of an outcome for the home side। उससे कुछ कम हो जाए तो WTC फाइनल, मतलब in some sense like ये ऐसे इतना obsession है with the WTC final that it's going against them, rather if they approach this more conventionally, right, कि series by series we prepare the best wickets, keep some consistency of what conditions to expect at home, then you will automatically build a culture of like this team knows how to do well at home. Like there is one thing which is team combination, culture around that, role clarity and all of that, and second is knowing what to expect. On both fronts these people are chaotic, and it's been so for a while. Agar even that England series, again, if that was a slightly more sensible, like toned down version of baseball, baseball was working in India, just that they didn't have to go this complete bonkers with, like I said, 200 for one पे reverse sweep खेल के, मतलब
Yeah.
lap shot खेलना है against Bumrah, मतलब all those kind of things actually caused them in that series. So it's been coming for a while.
It's
Just
been
that
coming before that also, like the Australia series before that, like Akshar Patel, he basically
Yeah.
bailed us out on a couple of occasions. वो
हाँ,
वो वाले सीरीज में भी था, तो मतलब it has been a trend that has been going on for the past 3-4
Bangladesh
years.
last year,
Yeah,
that
Bangladesh,
first
that
game was a
Guru
70 for
Gambhir.
5 and
Yeah.
Ashwin ka 100, Guru Gambhir ka first test.
Yes.
So it's always been coming.
Yeah.
I think like we've talked about this before, right? When you have Bunsen burner pitches, you increase the variance. So you bring the opposition in and you reduce your home advantage. The fact is that they should have lost in multiple series. Like they should have lost more games before this, both in the England and Australia series. In fact, had they lost that Australia series, that would have caused them to rethink the strategy a little bit more, because losing against Australia is a very high profile loss. Like New Zealand ka loss, I will still say that I don't think too many people were paying attention to it, and you know, they were definitely paying attention in this series, but not against New Zealand. So ये तो एक बात है ही. Plus, like I feel like in this game, South Africa were so far ahead. In the first innings, they lost all of their wickets to Marco Jansen. Like it was not even about spin, it was about situational pressure and that weighing on your mind, and then having all of the fielders around the bat. Like it, that makes an impact also on how you play. Like the mental aspect of how far behind you are in the game and what motivation you need to actually get ahead at that point. Like what motivation you have to grind this out to a draw. Like, does your team really think that that's a good use of their time? And there's there's another question that I wanted to ask you guys is why was Bumrah playing in this series? Like, why do we have Bumrah playing in
And
at all?
in that random T20 series in Australia
That's a
just
bigger
before,
question, in fact.
Yes.
Gill, Bumrah, Gill, what purpose did it serve to get all of them to Australia for a meaningless? ये जो बोला था लोगों को बहुत गुस्सा है कि वो meaningless white ball series है because it has been shooed in before the Ashes and Australia doesn't care. You clearly know that they don't
Yeah,
care.
of
They're
course.
pulling players out of the squad. And here you are sending a full strength squad and Gambhir के press conference में बोलता है कि we should prioritize test cricket. We were in Australia playing T20s 3 days before this. अरे तुमको किसने बोला है पूरा टीम भेजने भेजो तुम बाकी टाइम तो बोलते रहते हो 3-3 टीम है हमारे पास 5 टीम खिला सकते हैं 15 टीम खिला सकते हैं कहाँ है फिर उनको खिलाओ ना फिर वहां पे
और
because
ऐसा
you
भी नहीं है
want
कि
on your
just
CV the coach wants right the coach wants to
Hmm.
show like I have a series win on Australia no matter how hollow that is.
yes, that's it. और ऐसा भी नहीं है
yeah,
कि
but
T20 वर्ल्ड कप लाइक ऑस्ट्रेलिया में इट्स इन इंडिया, तो मतलब देयर इज नो कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है. इनफैक्ट एक दो स्पॉट जो स्क्वाड के लिए डिसाइड करना उनके ऊपर फोकस करके यू जस्ट सेंड हुएवर, यू डोंट सेंड योर टेस्ट बैटर्स एटलीस्ट.
And all
yeah,
that counts right
just
or traditionally in the just one last point traditionally in a talk of like players are better against spin or not मतलब बहुत लोग बोलेंगे कि spinners are bowling a different trajectory DRS era है and
Yeah.
all of that right so लोग बोलेंगे कि objectively and Azharuddin Sidhu Tendulkar batting lineup wasn't better against spin than these guys ये सब आएगा argument but the fact of the matter is they were scoring runs right so if you go back to 98 just before the Shane Warne wala jo Mahasangram series there was this Bombay versus
Yeah.
Australia game
Australia game.
like a week before the first test. And Tendulkar played in that. I think Vinod Kambli also got 100 in that game, and so on.
Hmm.
Vaughan was playing and all that. So Tendulkar played that game because they had the luxury of doing it back then. अब तुम्हारा कोच और तुम्हारा पूरा सेटअप ऐसा है कि वो सर्कस पे हर जगह लेके जाएगा इनको. How do you expect a Shubman Gill to? It would have made more sense for a Gill to play the India A game
Yeah.
as opposed to or anyone in that team to play the A team game rather than the T20 series but they wouldn't do that because Star Sports वो कहीं ना कहीं Star Sports dictate करता है ये तो मानना पड़ेगा नहीं मानने के लिए कोई तैयार नहीं है.
पंत और राहुल दे प्लेड द इंडिया गेम्स.
हाँ पंत and Rahul they played Kuldeep played Siraj played
Yes.
but just generally they don't have the luxury of doing it anymore in England and Australia
Yeah, of
they
course.
do so
just to go back on the spin point, I think the one of the other things is ki what South Africa did so much better than India was to play the sweeps because they were changing the points of contact again baseball and they were trying to unsettle the spinners. What happened with the BCCI's batting is that there was no plan to go against Harmer. There was no way to change Harmer's length or his pace, trajectory, nothing. I think it took 18 overs, if I remember correctly, today for Jadeja to, as soon as Harmer came in, first ball in that spell he hit a six. I think कुछ credit देना होगा जडेजा को भी कि after that Lord's inning he has upped the tempo of his game plus added the
Correct.
sweep.
Yeah.
Plus added the sweep, which is actually pretty crazy because he's like what 6 years into his international career. इसमें एक और जो बात वो ये भी है कि it goes back to the luxury point कि where the calendar is not so stacked that a Sachin can go to play this first class game versus Australia, and these players also are able to go back to first class and play the, let's say, the Ranji Trophy or whatever. But there is a deeper point जो I think Amol Mazumdar ने बोला था 81 All Out podcast में, and I think others have also said it, but it's very pertinent, the fact that historically in India, in the Ranji Trophy as well, the Ranji Trophy also used to follow the same template as this test match has, whereby one team will score, let's say, 300, 400, 400, let's say 400, 450. Second team will come bat 300. कुछ एक छोटा सा लीड होगा या स्कोर्स एट पार होगा. देन थर्ड इनिंग्स में you score about 200, and then on the fifth day is when the spinners come into their own, because pitch has worn out as much, and that allows teams to bat on the fifth day as well. Today if you look at the stats जो दिखा रहा है आज एक टीवी पे, I think stats दिखा रहे हैं how many balls have these players played in the fourth innings. I think the bigger stat is how many balls have they played off spin on the fifth day. Also, I think is a very very key component जो कि कोई देख ही नहीं सकता, because रणजी ट्रॉफी 4 दिन का हो गया है. So I don't think spinners are also coming into their own as much as they would have liked earlier. What happens then? What happens then is that the spinner's length and the spinner's ability to bowl at certain lengths continuously changes, because day 1 to 4 they have to experiment, as we've always seen with Ashwin. मास्टर ऑफ इनोवेशन, वो हमेशा लेंथ ट्राई कर रहा है, एंगल्स ट्राई कर रहा है. आज दिखा रहा था, मतलब इतना घटिया ग्राफिक वो हाथ से MS पेंट से दिखा रहा है, रिलीज पॉइंट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था मतलब ये ऐसा कचरा ब्रॉडकास्ट, दैट्स अ सेपरेट पॉडकास्ट. बट Ashwin used to do that. वो फर्स्ट डे 1 to day 4 में कर सकते हो आप, लेकिन day 5 you know, and I'll go back to that Melbourne test, the first test of the 2018 series, Melbourne, right? Where he bowled,
Adelaide,
where he bowled like 50 overs in that fifth innings, and you know all he was doing is just pitching it on one spot and getting it to, and just blocking an end essentially. And वो जॉब भी नहीं हुआ इस bowling lineup से, because of the fact that the other team was prepared to take some iota of risk at different points in time as well.
And this thing is that the difference is that everything is episodic. मतलब ऐसा Instagram reels की तरह Indian cricket भी है अभी. And in general, the sport has become that way, right? Earlier, tours were structured better. Teams would suss each other out, right? Like, मेरा ये the biggest gripe with, मतलब this is a separate point, but I think it's still partly related, is earlier teams where there was a fair bit of overlap between your ODI and Test team, for example, and tours were structured such that there would be a one-day series, then this board president's 11 kind of a game, and then a
KwaZulu
Test
Natal
series.
11.
हाँ 11. तो जहां टूर करते हो, there will be a structure around the tour, right? So the white ball was part of a larger narrative in a tour. So what it gave you was that just before the tour, मतलब there will be some element of अभी white ball में contest setup हुआ, and then फिर वो test series में the batsman is trying to figure them out better, format change हो रहा है, and so teams were also overlapping. अभी सब कुछ ही एपिसोडिक है, so this everything is like a shootout. You are in and out quickly for a test tour. So वो home team को भी probably उतना ही disadvantage है जितना touring side के लिए है. Touring sides are kind of like
I think home teams का disadvantage पे तो one of the clear things is that कि home team को पता ही नहीं है ना कहाँ खेल रहे हैं, तो क्या करेगा.
जो फैन को पता नहीं है वो टीम को भी पता नहीं है.
So there's another thing, right? So there are two things I will talk about. Like when you're facing an opposition and they're doing well, right? You will try to build your game plans around countering them. Okay, so if I have seen the first test, I messed up the pitch, but I see कि उनका off spinner is doing really well. What will I do? I will try to bring a more attacking right-handed batter to counter them, to hit them off their lengths.
Nitish Reddy.
Exactly. But see, okay, if I believe that Nitish Reddy can do this, won't I bring him up the order and tell him to go out and express himself and do it? Like it always comes from a place of fear. Gambhir is like, you are all a similar kind. I want one kind of batting style from everybody. I want everyone to conform. And that's the second thing, is that he does not let people play to their natural strengths, right? This is the fundamental, like you can tell that this team is not enjoying themselves.
It
They're
goes back
not.
to this stupid wala wo
Yeah.
shot, right?
Yes.
Rishabh Pant
Yes.
ka. So now everyone is batting half-heartedly. Even Yashasvi Jaiswal, who naturally bats aggressively, उसको देख के भी लग रहा है कि you can always afford to let these guys play in their styles, but even in
Mhm.
their styles they seem restrained.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like even Rahul, I feel ki matlab he was defensive, but like I think he's been instructed to just be in a shell and just hold one end up to an extent. Matlab he's not. There was for few deliveries where I easily felt he could have chosen the scoring option, but he was just restrained in his play. And I think कि वो natural balance जो एक बैट्समैन को clarity रहता है वो I fail to see कि टीम में किसी को भी है अभी.
I think और दूसरा एक चीज होता है ना कि this is on the bowling side of things. When you have too many people who you believe can bowl and stuff like that, no one is constructing a long spell, which is like fundamental on a fair test track like Guwahati. Guwahati was a good test pitch, right?
Yeah.
It was not like वो तो Akhadas have done another thing that spinners have to construct a spell. वो वाला skill has gone out of the game. So the captains have become more impatient, I feel. Coaches have also become impatient क्योंकि अगर एक spell में wicket नहीं आया, then people start believing you are having a bad bowling day, जबकि वैसा नहीं है. You can probably spinners tend to bowl long spells, so you need fewer of them. मेरा ये हमेशा से मतलब my belief is that if you are going for a 3-2, right, in a bowling combination, you'd rather do three seamers, two spinners, because that way you'll utilize more bowlers logically, because your two spinners are going to give you, if they are
Yeah.
fairly decent spinners, they'll give you 20 overs a day, fair 20 plus overs an innings, मतलब fairly easily. मतलब even on a, and if it's a flat batting track, they'll take the workload, and your seamers need more rotation, if
You're
anything.
you're making the captain's job easier as well. Like he doesn't
Captain's
have to
job
juggle.
is easier. You can stick to combinations, bowling combinations कि
Yeah.
ये bowler और ये bowler का साथ में अच्छा spells चलता है. So all that is easier. Now everything is random.
Yeah.
No one knows whose role is what. And it's the same for the batting order as well, right? So you don't know मतलब रितिश रेड्डी क्या है, उसको एमसीजी में उसने 100 बना दिया, मतलब that has caused so much harm to the balance of this side. Similarly, his
Actually,
two
it goes
wickets
back
in.
to Cummins praising him and calling him a superstar. That's the original sin. But
So it's
I mean, I have another question. Like, I had this grouse with the Rahul Dravid era as well, is that I don't think they developed seamers.
Yes.
Like the next line of seamers. I think they're not doing a good job. Like even in this game, in the last, you can rotate the seamers. Even if you think they're not going to have a huge role, you should have had Akashdeep, who has a great record at home, and he doesn't even play for West Bengal, or he plays.
Yes.
Bengal, huh?
Yeah, he
Bengal,
plays for
Bengal.
Plays for
Bengal.
He's supposed to be Shami 2.0 or something.
Exactly. तो उसको कोलकाता में क्यों नहीं खिलाओगे? Like even in Guwahati, you
भूल
could have played him.
गए. I think याद नहीं रहता है इन लोगों को.
Yeah, that's not professional. That's my point.
Actually, क्योंकि
प्रोफेशनल
प्रोफेशनल से अभी इंग्लैंड में प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा played the first test, bowled fairly well. Even in Birmingham, he was
Yes.
not. कैप्टन ने जाके प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोला कि सेकंड इनिंग में अच्छा बॉलिंग किया, हमने उसको रोल दिया था. वो जो टेस्ट मैच दैट दे वन एंड हैरी ब्रूक वाज स्कोरिंग अगेंस्ट
Correct.
हिम, सेड वी
Yeah.
वांटेड टू बाय अ विकेट, सो वी आस्क्ड हिम टू बोल शॉट. तो उसके बाद भूल गए उस सीरीज में. अंशुल कंबोज
Yeah.
आया, फिर
Anshul
फाइनली
injured
अंशुल
Anshul Kamboj.
हाँ,
Yeah.
इंडियन अंशुल कंबोज कम्स फ्रॉम इंडिया. एंड देन फाइनल फिर रेव स्पोर्ट्स बोलता है कि अंशुल कंबोज को क्रिकेट ही नहीं खेलना चाहिए टाइप गुस्सा, क्योंकि गंभीर पे गुस्सा नहीं करेगा कि
हाँ.
कौन लेके आया उसको इंग्लैंड में, वो नहीं. एंड देन फाइनल टेस्ट सडनली याद आया, अरे प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा तो था टीम में, खिला देते हैं चलो. एंड
So
प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा को भी भूल गए. सो नाउ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आकाशदीप, राइट?
yeah.
थिंक ऑफ दैट वन टेस्ट मैच बिफोर व्हेन वी वर लाइक मोहम्मद और कृष्णा जब साथ में हो, वो कहाँ चला गया वो स्टोरी?
दो भाई
Exactly.
दोनों तबाही.
I'm just
Nice.
amazed by the level. So the sources that this guy got handed, uh,
Mhm.
uh, top 4 team, top 3 team in all formats with unlimited, like even with this squad that he has in hand, you can still construct a fairly
Yeah.
workable test team if you had someone with half the brains. But the ineptitude is like एक संगी at the top का जो classic इन्होंने जो demonstration दिया है देश के सामने. मैंने अभी एक ट्वीट किया था कि बेसिकली क्या होता है कि विथ पॉलिटिशियंस इट्स इजियर टू फूल पीपल, राइट? बिकॉज यू हैव गोदी मीडिया, इकोनॉमिक इंडेक्स खराब हो रहा है, फॉर्मूला बदल दो, रास्ते कम बन रहे हैं तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 डाल दो, सब कर सकते हैं। तो क्योंकि कोई आदमी मेजर नहीं कर सकता है पूरे देश में कितना सड़क बना, मैं कर सकता हूँ क्या मेजर? नहीं। तो पब्लिक को पब्लिक हमेशा सोचता है विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू कंट्रीज डेवलपमेंट, कहीं और हो रहा है वो। माई रोड इज बैड बट मे बी इट्स हैपनिंग इन मध्य प्रदेश, मेरा बॉम्बे में रास्ता खराब है, मध्य प्रदेश का रास्ता अच्छा, मध्य प्रदेश वाला सोचता है बॉम्बे में अच्छा है, देन एवरीवन थिंक्स ऑफ दिस। तो बेवकूफ बना सकते हो। स्पोर्ट के साथ वो है कि 2-0 है, अभी क्या करेगा? अभी गोदी मीडिया स्पिन कर सकता है क्या कि वो तो साउथ अफ्रीका हार गया था? यू कैन नॉट डू दैट ना। तो गंभीर को यहाँ वहां मार खा गया वो। रेव स्पोर्ट्स कितना भी तुमको करे तुम्हारे लिए पेंडर, बट रेव स्पोर्ट्स स्कोर लाइन नहीं बदल सकता है ना।
लेकिन रेव स्पोर्ट्स ने किया है आज पैंडर, भर भर के पैंडर किया है। कि इसमें गंभीर जी की क्या गलती है? अगर वो तो स्ट्रेटेजी बनाते हैं, प्लेयर्स के एग्जीक्यूशन के बारे में
स्ट्रैटेजी
आप,
क्या है? मेरे को ये बोला। मैं आई आई नो वी ऑल लाफ अबाउट
व्हाई डू यू थिंक आई
बैस्बॉल।
इवन अटर्ड द वर्ड स्ट्रेटेजी जस्ट टू हियर स्ट्रेटेजी क्या है?
नहीं, वो बंदा, he why is he going around taking the credit for Asia Cup then if it's up to the players?
हाँ,
Then he has no business taking
एशिया
credit
कप में
for
क्या स्ट्रैटेजी था? एशिया
Asia
कप
Cup,
विथ
Champions
ऑल
Trophy.
with that resource imbalance in that tournament, right? You should have just like sleepwalked through that tournament, but that wasn't the case.
You
Sri
should have played
Lanka,
your second string team.
second string team, Sri Lanka beat you practically, right? If not for that last over में वो tie हुआ and एक meaningless super over
That's
हुआ,
true. Yeah.
practically I would think that they beat you. Oman ran you close.
Very close.
They got within 20 runs of your
Even
target.
Bangladesh,
Pakistan in
uh,
the even Bangladesh for a long time in that
long
game
time
was
was in the game.
running you
Yeah.
close. So that tournament was Abhishek Sharma या जय श्री राम. That was the
Yes.
strategy in that tournament. अभिषेक शर्मा को हटा दो, वो टूर्नामेंट चला गया था तुम्हारा किसी के, वो भी हारते तुम लोग। क्या स्ट्रेटेजी है? मतलब मुझे तो ये समझ में ही नहीं आया, मतलब इतना इनेप्ट कैसे हो सकता है यार कोई? मतलब इसमें मैं
You
सच
want
में
to
बोल रहा हूँ।
know what else the strategy is? Just 1 point away from the test team. They have now brought in Jadeja back to the ODI team and removed Akshar Patel.
अक्षर पटेल, व्हाई? एंड ध्रुव जुरैल क्या कर रहा है वनडे टीम में? और कितना कीपर चाहिए मेरे को बोलो। एंड
KL Pant, Jurel,
ये
3 keeper.
ये मेरे से लिख के लो। मतलब इफ यू गिव दिस मैन a challenge, this man, the problem with him is I don't think he can think, मतलब multifactorial problems वो solve नहीं कर सकता है। तो चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में क्या हो गया कि everything got handed on a platter, right? That one ICC tournament that he keeps talking about, if they had to even play in Abu Dhabi with a pitch that was slightly different and required you to have a seamer, required you to have a batting lineup that was good against pace, ऐसा टीम में ये सब होता है ना कि you need batters who are good against pace, you need batters who are good against spin. If there is a wicket with a fair degree of balance, you need seamers and spinners. ये सारा कॉम्बिनेशन टीम में चाहिए। तो जैसे ही ऐसा प्रॉब्लम आता है ना, गंभीर का दिमाग फ्राई हो जाता है। उसको सिर्फ दुबई चाहिए। दुबई में स्लो एंड लो फ्रॉम द डे गेम 1 इन बांग्लादेश टूर्नामेंट ओपनर में खेल रहा है इंडिया को, विकेट नी हाई बाउंस हो रहा है यार, वो पिच टर्न हो रहा है, और 5 स्पिनर खिला रखा है इन्होंने, क्योंकि इनको पता है कि सिर्फ दुबई में खेलना है। तो ऐसा चैलेंजेस एशिया कप वाज फेयरली सिमिलर। तो इट्स इजी टू पिक टीम्स। वो तो फिर कोई भी पिक कर सकता है, 5 स्पिनर ले लो, 5 बैटर ले लो जो स्पिन अच्छा खेल सकता है, एंड देन यू हैव अ विनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन। इंडिया में T20 वर्ल्ड कप विल बी फार मोर डिफिकल्ट, एंड साउथ अफ्रीका में टूर्नामेंट जीतना तो ये आदमी से, मतलब व्हाइट बॉल के बारे में जो नाच रहे हैं ना लोग, this will carry over to the white ball form. You saw that in Australia how they played. The moment you
Yeah.
required a balance in your ODI side, they couldn't pick a side that works. This will continue across formats. लिख के लो, मतलब if this guy stays, you give him 500 players, all of the highest quality, वो नहीं स्क्वाड पिक, टीम नहीं पिक कर पाएगा वो।
ये तो मतलब गंभीर का द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम है कि ही डज नॉट गिव क्लैरिटी टू एनीवन। मतलब लाइक कुछ भी रैंडम करना है एंड लाइक इससे क्या, ही पुट्स एवरीवन ऑन, आई फील कि बहुत ज्यादा टेंटर हुक्स पे। तो लाइक एवरीवन ही इज जस्ट फाइटिंग फॉर द प्लेस इन फॉर एवरी मैच, लाइक कोई कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है। व्हाट इज डन विद वॉशिंगटन सुंदर इज जस्ट लाइक, मतलब वो तो क्या ही बोले उसके बारे में। मतलब फ्रॉम नंबर 3 गोइंग डाउन टू नंबर 8, फ्रॉम द 4th स्पिनर इज द सेकंड स्पिनर। तो इस तरीके
ये
एंड
सब, बट ही इज वेरी वो ना, मीडिया मीडिया देखता है, वो पूरा दिन बैठ के ट्विटर और ये सब खोल के देखता है। लोगों ने डाल दिया था ना स्टार्ट की कितना बॉल डाला वॉशिंगटन सुंदर ने, तो ये आ गया वॉशिंगटन सुंदर बन गया सेकंड स्पिनर। आज पूरा दिन मीडिया में चला है कि इन द एंटायर होम सीजन नीतीश कुमार रेड्डी हैज बोल्ड 14 ओवर्स, ही इज योर पेस बॉलिंग ऑलराउंडर। ये भी लिख
शार्दुल
के ले लो।
ठाकुर
हाँ।
इन इंग्लैंड फर्स्ट
यस
टेस्ट खेलता है, कितना ओवर डाला उसने, वो ही गॉट 2 लकी विकेट्स एंड आई थिंक दैट वाज इट। मतलब वो उसको खिला के बॉलिंग नहीं दे रहे थे। सुंदर हैड अ ग्रेट टेस्ट मैच एट लॉर्ड्स, inexplicably in that run chase in Oval, when you had only two seamers, someone had to at least ease their workload. They didn't bowl Sundar at all. मतलब वो ऐसा randomly end में जब run chase almost खत्म होने आ गया था, and then in a 90 over run chase, your seamers bowled almost 60 of those.
या
मतलब who comes up with combinations like, and just because you won that game, people thought of it as like अभी तो justify हो गया ना टीम जो select किया।
तो ये मैंने ये सुना कि ये फर्स्ट टेस्ट में कुछ क्या नाम है ये,
डिमोनेटाइजेशन के बारे में सुना है ना आप लोगों ने, लेकिन
नहीं नहीं, ये मैंने सुना ये फर्स्ट टेस्ट में, ओके सो आई फ्रेम दिस बेटर, कि बुमराह अपेरेंटली टोल्ड द साउथ अफ्रीकन कैप्टन टेमवा बुमा अ वर्ड, कुछ बोना बोला शायद, बट ही डिडंट टेल इट डायरेक्टली टू बवूमा, सो इट्स ओके। तो
हाँ मतलब if I use the word behind your back, it's fine. You know,
या आई गेस
I
आई
think
गेस
that makes it okay.
बट आई वांटेड टू चैट अबाउट द फैक्ट कि इतना कुछ बवूमा को
डैरेन
बोला।
सैमी को कुछ और भी बोला है, और डैरेन
अरे
सैमी को किसी ने आज तक ऑफिशियली अपोलोजाइज नहीं किया है। हम इन लोगों को बैठ के आज रेसिज्म याद आ रहा है। मतलब डैरेन सैमी बोल के गया है इन द हीट ऑफ लाइक इन द सेंटर ऑफ बीएलएम का पूरा डिस्कोर्स। डैरेन सैमी सेज दैट हम मेरी टीम में ये बोला जाता था, एंड स्क्रीनशॉट्स के साथ कि इंस्टाग्राम तक में लोगों ने मेरे बारे में ऐसे लिखा है, एंड आई यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट एंडियरिंग ये है टर्म है। और उसके लिए जस्टिफिकेशन तभी क्या आया, हमारे यहाँ तो हम कान्हा जी को भी बोल देते हैं काला, वो तो बड़ी बात नहीं है, हम तो प्यार से बोलते हैं ऐसे।
बट आई थिंक मैं जो पॉइंट पे आ रहा था वो ये था कि आज एक और वाइट नॉइज सुन रहा था मैं, तो स्पोर्ट्स टुडे जिसमें निखिल नाज है, तो निखिल नाज आई थिंक
वो
वाज, निखिल
सटल
नाज
है।
बाय द वे हैज, हाँ सटल भी है, और ही वाज आल्सो काइंड टू शुक्री इन, एंड ही हैड द करेक्ट असेसमेंट आल्सो, बट आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट। उस शो में आज पहली बार पदमजीत सहरावत जी भी आए थे। तो पदमजीत सहरावत जी ने बोला कि अ, टेम्बा बबूमा का क्या स्किल है। आप केएल राहुल को ले लो, शुभमन गिल को ले लो, यशस्वी जायसवाल को ले लो, 1 से लेकर 7 तक सारे बैट्समैन को ले लो, सब उनसे बेटर है। बट बबूमा ने जो अपनी स्किल के साथ किया, वो बचाने के लिए खुद को, बबूमा ने जो अपनी स्किल के साथ किया उसके बारे में कुछ एक मतलब दिख नहीं रहा है क्या, कि मतलब टोटल 2 players have scored
इट
more than
इज
100 runs in your team.
I can't
एंड इट इज
believe this.
वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मोस्ट पीपल इन ऑल ऑफ क्रिकेट। ठीक है, बउमा का एज अ क्रिकेटर उसका तारीफ करना ना पॉसिबल किसी को खुल के आता ही नहीं है कि वो अच्छा बैटर है, ये एग्री कर लो ना यार। मतलब योर आइडिया ऑफ हाउ अ बैटर शुड लुक उसमें
He
कंफर्म नहीं होता है वो।
he's not just a good batter, he's a great leader
हाँ,
of
वो
his
तो
squad.
एग्री देखो।
नहीं नहीं,
I
वो तो
mean, so
गिवन
to
है।
make these are not that different from the people who came with Dean Elgar, right? You can see ki
हम्म।
there is a time when Dean Elgar he addresses sort of a poor performance from Rabada, and his thing is he's going to yell at him and fire him up so that he plays well in the next game. That's not really, that's a method of leadership. It's not, it doesn't really work in modern times. This is a very old school kind of Steve Waugh style of,
गैम्बॉल
leadership
स्टाइल।
that there's no space for today. Yeah, it's a gamble style of leadership. There was an issue once, so I think it was QDK, Quinton de Kock in his squad, who did not do the salute for BLM, and he didn't like say anything against him. He just, I think he took him aside, and in the next game, Quinton de Kock is like, yeah, I talked about it to Timba, and then he took the BLM salute, and it was fine. And I just thought, like, situations like this, they have the ability to derail a team, and the way he handles it is like completely different. Like, he's one of the most admired leaders, and he gets more from his team than
Even
other people do.
today, even
Even today.
today,
मैं ये पॉइंट बोलने वाला था कि आई वाज जस्ट वंडरिंग इफ द शू वाज ऑन द अदर फुट, शुभमन गिल का या ऋषभ पंत का क्या रिएक्शन होता, मतलब लाइक डे एंड नाइट का डिफरेंस होता।
तो एक ही चीज था कि आज इस पे भी मनोज डिमरी ने कुछ कहा है आज। मनोज डिमरी ने बोला, देखो गेम चेंजर्स में हम सीधी बात करते हैं भाई। टेम्बा बउमा, देखो उनको, वो तो है कोटा प्लेयर, आप सबको पता है। मैं कोई बोलने से तो कोटा प्लेयर आज टेस्ट क्रिकेट में खेल कर गया आपके खिलाफ।
You can't say anything to this. Like, in low basics
And
ही नहीं है.
apparently supposedly they are being kind to Bauma, तारीफ करते करते ये सारा चीज बोलते, तो गाली देते हो क्या क्या बोलते होंगे, ये मेरा सवाल है आप लोगों से कि
Yeah.
दूसरे देश के कोटा से तुमको प्रॉब्लम है। मतलब द ब्यूटी, मतलब ये सब में द ब्यूटी इज कि स्पोर्ट इतना अच्छे से, मतलब इट स्लैप्स यू एंड यू कीप वंडरिंग कि क्या हो गया। मतलब तुम्हारा
Yeah.
हिस्टोरिकली, सिर्फ आज नहीं है, मतलब वो जेसी ओवेंस का स्टोरी से लेके आज तक
Hmm.
sport constantly keeps slapping you on your racial supremacist ideas and your like taking results for granted and all of that. No matter how much money you have, how much resource you have, it's not a foregone conclusion. इसीलिए तुम्हारा फैंस को थोड़ा ह्यूमिलिटी हो, will go a long way. मतलब ये चीज लिखा तो बहुत लोगों को, वेल मीनिंग फैंस को भी गुस्सा है कि मैंने बोला पिछले 7-8 साल में हम बिफोर गंभीर वी वुड क्लेम कि ये तो इंडिया का सबसे डोमिनेंट मोस्ट, दुनिया का सबसे डोमिनेंट टेस्ट साइड वाज इंडिया एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। बारिंग वी वन, वी वर ग्रेट एट होम, इट वाज अ ग्रेट साइड, ऑल ऑफ दैट, ठीक है, आई गिव देम ऑल दैट। उस फेज में भी वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप्स have been won by New Zealand, South Africa, Australia. You have lost, haven't managed to win in England, haven't beaten South Africa in South Africa, and yet ह्यूब्रिस ऐसा है कि टेस्ट क्रिकेट को हो जाना चाहिए 2 टीयर का, बहुत टीम्स को नहीं खेलना चाहिए, वेस्ट इंडीज को डिसबैंड कर दो। मतलब हर चौथे दिन तुम ये बोलते हो, तुम्हारा मतलब लार्ज सेक्शन ऑफ योर फैन बेस indulges in this sort of an engagement with this test game. So today when Fidel Fernando talks of this ki big three who stank up the sport, to see them defeated this way, लोगों को ठंडक मिलता है तो मिलेगा लोगों को ठंडक ना। You are
मैं
the bullies.
ये हाँ, मैं ये भी सोच रहा था आज कि Jared has of course written that book, right? How basically how every team had won their first game versus England.
इंग्लैंड या
I mean, as things are going, and as much power Amit Shah has in cricket today, I don't think कि गलत होगा अगर कोई एक किताब निकलेगी about the times when teams have beaten India in these large, let's say big contests, or let's say for New Zealand, for example, beating here, or even the WTC final, Australia beating you in the 2023 World Cup final, and now South Africa doing this. Because लोग बोल रहे हैं कि क्या बोलते हैं, हम तो कुछ बोलते नहीं किसी को, हम तो कुछ बोलते नहीं किसी को, बट आई थिंक इंडियन फैंस मस्ट रियलाइज दैट whoever says कि हम कुछ नहीं बोलते, you are the smallest minority. As purveyors of culture, at least on this pod, and जितना भी हम देखते हैं, जितना white noise हम कंज्यूम करते हैं, उतना तुम सोच भी नहीं सकते। ये भी मैं लिख के
तुम्हारे
दे देता हूँ।
सबसे पॉपुलर मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स क्रिकेट के,
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली,
इंक्लूडिंग योर मेन स्ट्रीम, यार स्टार स्पोर्ट्स कौन सा अलग है, स्टार स्पोर्ट्स से ज्यादा मेन स्ट्रीम क्या हो सकता है?
एग्जैक्टली। सो डोंट, सो जितना तुमने सामने वालों को चोकर बोला है, जितना तुमने बोला है कि 2023 वाज अ फोरगॉन कंक्लूजन, इनफैक्ट वर्ल्ड कप जीतने के बाद ऊपर तो इंडिया लिखा हुआ था in the fireworks. All of these things are going to add up and come back to you. But I digress. What I wanted to talk about was that this game, at least the second game, was won in the first innings itself, and it was won by Marco Jansen in both the first innings.
of course.
Both the, I think batting, I think he's developing that technique and developing a temperament where he has that poker face where it always looks like कि देखो भाई मैं अभी आउट हो जाऊंगा. But I think there is so much work that is happening behind the scenes because of the time that other teams have on their calendar that India probably don't have. That I think he's developing into something extremely ferocious territory of an all-rounder. And to make a Guwahati pitch look like Centurion was 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 really good. अभी लोग बोलेंगे कि यहाँ पे ये एरर तो बैट्समैन का था, नहीं तो वो था. उसमें एक और पॉइंट मैं ऐड कर देता हूँ कि there is a significant difference between an opposition side's fielding in India versus what India fields as well. Uh, but lately, I've just realized like fielding का importance बढ़ गया है purely because if you watch like I know again baseball, but वहाँ पे fielding का importance is paramount. Like every fielding error is on the scorecard, on the scoreboard. So you are seeing that that is an error. So now if you see the catches that Markram took, or like the catch that even Jansen took to end the game, we were asking, right, like why are those, like Sharda Ugra was asking on the pod, right, why was that Australian lady running with 2 runs to go in that semi-final on the boundary. वो भी एक डिफरेंस बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा है. सो आई डोंट थिंक कि फील्डिंग को उतना तवज्जो दिया जाता है जितना देना चाहिए. बट या ऑन मार्को यानसन बिफोर वी मूव टू द मेन मैन,
I think
किसी को कुछ नहीं कहना है.
I think the way I was more like I did not rate his batting that much earlier. Maybe like he has played a few good knocks, but this particular knock that he played, जो फर्स्ट इनिंग्स में खेला उसमें, वो दैट वाज रिमार्केबल. लाइक जिस जो जो पेस सेट करके एंड लाइक टोटली डिमोरलाइज्ड इंडिया. मतलब उस समय जो मेरे को लग रहा था देख के, इंडिया का जो मेंटालिटी था कि लाइक अभी बस खत्म हो जाएगा, ये खत्म है 15-20 मिनट में, ये खत्म है, एज यू सेड कि मतलब वो यही था उनका कि इनको ये अपना इनका टेल चालू हो गया. बट द वे ही मुत्तुस्वामी का साथ दे के एंड क्या बोलता है उसके संग पार्टनरशिप बिल्ड करके जो उसने क्या बोलता है गेम को लेके चला, एंड ही बेसिकली जस्ट नॉक्ड इंडिया आउट देयर एंड देयर इटसेल्फ. एंड देन द वे इज बोल्ड टू जायसवाल particularly in this in the entire all the 4 innings has been amazing. मतलब जायसवाल he's faced everyone now. मतलब अब तो ऐसा कोई बॉलर बचा नहीं जिसको he's not faced. I think he's looked the most uncomfortable against Jansen only. For sure. मतलब वो पिक ही नहीं कर पा रहा उसको. जैसे this pitch I thought कि was made for Jaiswal to make runs. He made थोड़ा runs starting में, but I thought कि he would get a big one that he usually does. But Jansen has totally neutralized him, and I think he's dented his confidence. Like maybe next time whenever he travels to South Africa या जहाँ पे भी, it will be interesting to see what kind of an answer he has for Jansen, because currently I think Jansen का बहुत ज़्यादा domination है इस पे. I think he's really affected his confidence.
I actually didn't see a lot of Jansen's bowling. So Aditya, if you have any comments, you go
I've
ahead.
also not seen this particular series. Like I couldn't catch a lot of his bowling, but traditionally also, like right since his debut, I think India has been his favorite
Yes.
opposition in some sense.
I
Like he
think
debuted
30-40
against India
wickets
and he had
India against
wickets
US.
against us. So
Hmm.
across conditions, he has done well. So and a lot of like overseas success is built, like teams very often, like what England did last year was garbage, right? Matlab, the sides they picked against India, like very annoying to me, because like opening the bowling with Joe Root, like it's all that sort of nonsense. Matlab, this is also like decent batting wickets also. They didn't even get akhadas in that series. But if you don't really have spinners of the quality of Harmer or Lyon, you'd be better served like picking good seamers, because India very often stumbles against good seam bowling in India. If you pick any of the series that we have lost at home, 2012 was on good batting wickets. Stephen Finn had a great tour, Anderson had a great tour. That's how they won, right? 2004 Australia were superb with like their seam bowling, like great fields. very tight wicket to wicket lengths, and then having these fields, cutting of boundaries and so on. So you can do that with good seam bowling and win test matches in India and series in India. I think South Africa have shown that again. Again, in the New Zealand series, it all began with Henry having a great
Henry.
test
Mhm.
match in Bangalore.
Yeah.
So we forget that we keep going to Santner, but it's Henry who started it all. So
Yeah.
that's a
Henry,
lesson
then
for
Santner, then Ajaz Patel again.
Ajaz Patel. Uh,
Yes.
so that's a lesson for touring teams in the future also, to not to like
I think
faff around like the way England did, picking debutants, opening the bowling with Joe Root. मतलब क्या किया था, मतलब मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा among all of baseball's nonsense, that is a tour where it almost looked like they didn't even bother showing up with a team that had multiple facets. They were just like, we'll bat, we'll let them score whatever they want. That's exactly how that whole series went, right? So when India was batting, there was no degree of seriousness to what was going on, except for when Anderson bowled a few good spells. It was a really hard series to watch because of that. Really poor quality bowling from their side. So I hope like tours in the future, teams also figure this out.
I think for tours in the future, it's going to be a given. ये इन अगले अगले WTC cycle जब निकलेगा तब दिख जाएगा, where pretty much every team is going to try and play tests in Sri Lanka or Pakistan or Bangladesh before they come to India.
Yes,
It's
exactly. I think ये is
they
going to be the
because
template now.
ये yeah
And
because they don't get practice games. They अभी कोई बोर्ड्स प्रेसिडेंट 11 या कोई सौराष्ट्र वर्सेस टीम नहीं हो रहा है, मुंबई तो खेल ही नहीं रहा है. None of that is happening. And I know there's a lot of games in that also, like बहुत जैसे Kuldeep doesn't bowl to Stubbs in the nets in DC. All of this also happens, and it's okay.
but Australia
I
will
think
get a board president's 11 game by the way. वो Australian tours को मिलता है, मतलब they get always like border Gavaskar के लिए when they tour they play warm up
yeah,
games no matter how bad.
because they plan ना, they
हाँ
plan. उनका प्लानिंग है, ऐसा नहीं है
हाँ
ना कि शुभमन गिल आज इधर है कल उधर है,
जो
फिर परसों उसका उसका गर्दन टूट गया है, लेकिन देश का जवान है तो उसको गुवाहाटी भी जाना पड़ रहा है, मतलब ऑल
हाँ
ऑफ दैट.
हाँ तो ये देश का जवान, this guy going and claiming that test cricket has to be, there has to be more priority. तो प्रायोरिटी तू दे ना भाई, प्रायोरिटी कौन देगा फिर? देश का जवान बोल के तू बुमराह को T20 सीरीज खिला रहा है. बुमराह and this thing of Bumrah has lost some efficiency, right? So post that injury, he's not like a cheat code. He's still a great bowler. He's not that cheat code
He
level कि कोई
came
spell
back
में आएगा
really
तो
well
फेंकने के
though.
लिए.
He came
After the
back.
injury, he came
हाँ
back really well. But
Yeah.
what has happened
हाँ
is eventually इतना खिलाया और वो सिडनी में मार दिया उसको, तो
हम्म
I mean, तुम
एशिया
लोग
कप पूरा
इतने
खेलना.
you're playing so many all-rounders. You're not playing enough
हम्म
seamers. You're not playing enough full-time bowlers. You're adding the load onto him, and then you're wondering why he's lost his
एंड सिराज
efficacy and fitness.
एंड
Yeah.
सिराज अभी
Siraj,
तक ब्रेकडाउन नहीं हुआ है, ये
अरे
मिरेकल है.
it's a miracle. It's a
सिराज
miracle.
का भी सिराज का भी हो गया वापस. उसका जो वो गुडविल था, गुड मुस्लिम वाला, जो ओवल के बाद वो खत्म हो गया. आज गेम चेंजर्स ने बोल दिया, सिराज ने 1 घंटा क्या बॉलिंग कर दिया ओवल में. लोग भूल गए कि कितना घटिया बॉलिंग उनका एवरेज था इंग्लैंड में. अंधों में काना राजा वाला बात था वो. तो इज इट रीजन इनफ टू ब्रिंग हर्षित राणा फॉर द नेक्स्ट सीरीज इन श्रीलंका सिराज के जगह
I
में?
think Harshit Rana
कैन
should
वी डू
open the
दैट?
attack always.
आई
हाँ
थिंक हर्षित
And
राणा
the
शुड
batting as
ओपन द
well.
बैटिंग एंड बॉलिंग.
Yeah.
बैटिंग
Yes,
बॉलिंग.
आपको
that's
तो याद होगा कि वो
एंड
शिवम दुबे का लाइक टू लाइक रिप्लेसमेंट है ना.
रिप्लेसमेंट है.
true.
तो अब आप लोग सोचो कि अभी अगला टूर श्रीलंका है, विच पीपल इन देयर हेड्स थिंक ऑफ इट एज अ फोरगॉन कंक्लूजन, जबकि वो अभी नहीं है. श्रीलंका का बैटिंग लाइनअप टेस्ट क्रिकेट
It's
में इज
really
मोर सॉर्टेड देन इंडिया
Yeah, that's
करेंटली.
right.
तुम सॉलो नहीं कर पाओगे ये बात.
देखो
बट
शोमिकदा ने
एंड
बोला
पाकिस्तान
है, शोमिकदा ने बोला है दे विल प्रिपेयर टर्नर्स एंड तुम लोग का बहुत हालत खराब होगा.
एंड श्रीलंका डजंट नीड टर्नर्स. द थिंग इज श्रीलंका जैसे न्यूजीलैंड को पीटा ना दो सीरीज में, दे स्कोर्ड लाइक 600 एंड वन बाय इनिंग्स एंड मिलियन रन्स. वैसे सब सीरीज जीता वो लोग. द सेम वीक वेर यू आर लूजिंग टू न्यूजीलैंड. हियर पाकिस्तान हारा नहीं साउथ अफ्रीका के साथ, आप लोग हार गए. सो योर पेकिंग ऑर्डर इन टेस्ट क्रिकेट इज नॉट व्हाट यू थिंक. एंड डेयर आई से, अभी अगर इंडिया पाकिस्तान टेस्ट क्रिकेट हो ना अखाड़ों पे, I don't think it's a foregone conclusion you will beat Pakistan if
it'll
hypothetically
be a
that.
lower order shootout. लोअर ऑर्डर का ही
Yes.
रन आएगा
हाँ,
Hmm.
और कुछ नहीं
वही.
होगा सर. Anyway, just before this, I thought we should end at least this segment या जो भी बोलते हैं इसको by talking about ये क्या है,
हार्मन के बारे
अननोन
में बात करते
क्रिकेटर, किसी को पता भी नहीं था. हाँ, हार्मर. हार्मर ये कौन है हार्मर?
कैसे पता नहीं यार, ये वो पहले इंडिया भी टूर
How
कर चुका है
can you not
2015 में.
know?
देखो,
Yes.
यही तो मैं लोगों को वापस बताना
मुत्तुस्वामी भी
चाहता.
पहले इंडिया टूर कर चुका है by the way.
अरे मुत्तुस्वामी 2019 में आया था, वो डेन पीट
पीट,
और
हाँ, तो
ये
मुत्तुस्वामी तो
सब आए थे.
वो डीन एल्गर ने जिस मैच में फाइफर निकाला था, मुत्तुस्वामी तो वो टेस्ट मैच भी खेला
एग्जैक्टली.
था. हाँ, तो आई डोंट नो कि
गोज बैक कि क्रिकेट खाली आदित्य देख रहा है और बाकी
I mean,
सब.
Harmer there were reasons why he was not able to be selected for South Africa because of Kolpak rules, right?
Yep.
Brexit की वजह से थोड़ा he got hard done by those rules. So this is like just basic research on a team. Like you should know that they're going to play more
मतलब
than one spinner.
आप क्या बोल रहे हो कि हार्मर इस हफ्ते पर्थ में हो सकता था?
हार्मर हो सकता था. ये बाय द वे इंग्लिश फैंस ने बोला है कि वो पर्थ में हो सकता था. ये उन्होंने बोला है.
हमने नहीं
ऑन
बोला था कि ब्रेग्जिट के
रिलायबली
लिए
कह
वोट
रहा हूँ.
करो.
एनीवे ये
and it's a
आई वाज
fairly plausible scenario, हाँ, कि जो बंदा पूछ रहा है कि हार्मर वहां हो सकता था, वो ब्रेक्सिट के लिए वोट किया होगा, क्योंकि इंग्लैंड का बड़ा क्रिकेट वाचिंग पॉपुलेशन आर टोरीज. मतलब
Yes.
इट्स अ टोरी स्पोर्ट टू अ लार्ज एक्सटेंट.
कहाँ कहाँ कोई और पॉडकास्ट में ये सब कौन बताएगा. But Harmer ka, I think one of the best things that I saw and was the variation of pace. It goes back to that India-New Zealand series again, where Santner, Ajaz Patel, all of them were able to do that. But Harmer, my God, points of release, the drop that he was getting, and for वो जो KL Rahul वाला dismissal, वो तो 9 degrees of turn after the drop. 9 degrees. इसमें मैं सहमति रखूंगा डेटा बॉयज से कि ये एकदम अनप्लेबल डिलीवरी थी. और विकी पाजी से सहमति नहीं रखूंगा मैं इसमें. बट वॉट ही डिड इन दीज 2 टेस्ट्स,
Even the
अमेजिंग.
Kuldeep wicket.
ओ या ऑफ कोर्स.
Even the Kuldeep wicket, I mean Kuldeep है, I know, but like जैसे उसने उसको सेटअप किया, मतलब 3 अलग-अलग टाइप के बॉल्स डाल के फिर लास्ट में ही वेंट फॉर द स्ट्रेटर वन एंड एब्सोल्युटली बैम्बूजल्ड हिम. मतलब ही पूरा सीरीज देख के ऐसा लगा कि he has played more in Indian conditions and knows more about Indian conditions than the Indian spinners themselves. Like he just knew when to change the pace, what kind of line to bowl, what kind of length to bowl.
आई थिंक ये बात आप जो बोल रहे हैं ना, वो करेक्ट ही है. क्यों? क्योंकि गंभीर डजंट बिलीव इन डेटा. और साउथ अफ्रीकन टीम प्रोबेबली रिसर्च करके बैठा होगा कि व्हाट हैपेंस इन द फर्स्ट क्लास गेम्स इन गुवाहाटी, हाउ द पिच बिहेव्स, व्हाट आर द एवरेज स्कोर्स. भला होगा तो कोई 2 आदमी रियान पराग को फोन करके 5 सवाल भी किया होगा.
हिमंत बिस्वा इतना नहीं कर सकता है क्या अपनी टीम के लिए? अंपायर को किडनैप करके कुछ बोल दिया कि आउट नहीं देने का हमारे बैटर को, कुछ कुछ तो कर सकता था ना.
That's true. But have you guys heard of this? Like, I've heard this in other circles, in other podcasts, that Himanish has said that he's been sidelined and data analysis has
हाँ.
been sidelined in the
Yeah,
Gautam
yeah.
Gambhir era.
हम्म.
Yeah. It's clear.
And you can
It's
expect that,
clear.
right? You can see that. data छोड़ दो, ये आदमी क्रिकेट का देखा हुआ विजडम होता है ना, जो मैं, आप, मनोज डिमरी, हम सब जानते हैं देख के. एक कन्वेंशनल फेयरली विजडम होता है कि टेस्ट क्रिकेट में ऑल ग्रेट डिनेस्टीज इन टेस्ट क्रिकेट आर बिल्ट अराउंड स्टेबिलिटी. लाइक यू नो, लाइक दीज आर लाइक 4 out of 5 बैटर्स ये होंगे, 4 out of 5 bowlers ये होंगे. You tweak this, fine tune like 2 positions based on the conditions, and that is how test teams are built. The moment you throw that out of the window, all bets are off. Na, matlab you were like, even in Australia, that series got close. Yeah, it wasn't really a very fully functional Australian team to a lot of extent. That series went alive till the last day. You got lucky with the conditions in Sydney, I would say, because you got a lottery wicket and you took that series to the final day. इतना lucky रहा है कि even in these bad stretch of results, इट कुड हैव इवन बीन वर्स. मैं वो बोलता हूँ कि वेस्ट इंडीज के खिलाफ दैट सीरीज, the second test match was close, right? In the end, you won by 6 wickets or something.
Yeah.
An hour more of Shea Hope and Campbell batting, you don't know. West Indies could have gone back with a
That's true.
1-all draw,
Yeah.
given how they chase in the fourth innings. 120 chase किया था वो दिन. अगर 220 chase करना पड़ता उस इनिंग में, they could have well lost that series, test match. तो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मतलब डेटा तो क्या है आदमी, मतलब अगर दो चीज अगर तुम, ही इज लाइक दैट कंपल्सिव
Contrarian.
he has to compulsively contrarian basically, so in every situation. So if you say that अरे ऐसा टेस्ट मैच जीतते हैं ट्रेडिशनली, who told you only like that you can win test match? You can win without specialist also. I will show you. वैसा है वो. तो
ठीक है, तो इस सेगमेंट के अंत में मैं ये हुज लाइन इज इट एनीवे का फाइनल सवाल हमारे पैनल से पूछना चाहूंगा कि ये किसने कहा है. काम सीज मतलब वो जो क्या बोलते हैं, नदियां जो भी है ना,
समंदर.
समुंदर. काम सीज डोंट टीच यू हाउ टू स्टीयर. It's the storm that forges steady hands. We'll continue to believe in each other, fight for each other, and move forward, rising stronger.
ट्वीट की तरह लग रहा है ये.
तो यही बताइए किसका ट्वीट है, यही मैं जानना चाहता था इस पेरेनली ऑनलाइन ऑडियंस से.
थोड़ा और हिंट्स दीजिए.
वसीम जाफर.
थोड़ा सा गर्दन मोड़िए और देखिए, सोचिए.
आकाश चोपड़ा.
गलत जवाब. हम पास
हर्षा
करते
भोगले?
हैं. हर्षा भोगले भी गलत जवाब. हम पास करते हैं वत्सल की ओर.
बट इट साउंडेड वेरी मच लाइक हर्षा भोगले.
अरे ये
मतलब
अच्छा पकड़ा, बट गलत.
करुण नायर.
calm seas don't teach you how to.
गलत जवाब. ये भी मैंने कहा गर्दन मोड़िए,
विकास
उससे
कोहली?
आपको पता चलना चाहिए था कि ये शुभमन गिल ने कहा है.
ओके.
तो
शुभमन गिल की
इसी
पीआर.
बात
शुभमन
पर
गिल is एक धक्का दूर from losing his captaincy. और श्रीलंका में हार गए तो शायद शुभमन गिल का जगह चला जाएगा, लेकिन गंभीर कंटिन्यू करते रहेंगे.
हाँ, वो तो जरूरी है क्योंकि एक्चुअली क्या है, एक विकसित भारत के लिए एक विकसित क्रिकेट टीम का भी जरूरत है. आई थिंक गंभीर इज द राइट पर्सन फॉर इट. तो इससे अब हम चलते हैं पर्थ की ओर.
फाइनल
पर्थ में
मिडिल की
अनर्थ.
ओर नहीं करना है तुमको.
मैंने हो गया
पार्ट
मेरा
2.
वो अलग से जो हम प्लान कर रहे हैं ना बरसों से, आई थिंक उसमें वो बहुत सारे लोगों को आना है. वो एक
बोरिया.
कम्युनिटी
बट
एपिसोड करेंगे.
एक ही ऑब्जर्वेशन है कि बोरिया सा गायब रहते हैं
नहीं,
आजकल.
बोरियादा
मतलब बहुत कम.
has been
पिछले
in
3
बोरियादा has been in
आज थे
sponsor
वो.
meetings. आज लेकिन
Okay.
बड़ी dropped off for a sponsor call, so he's in
बट
sponsor meetings. So
पिछले 3 दिन में जब बाकी लोग भड़ास निकाल रहे थे, एंड फिर उनका ऐसा ना टीम में ब्रीफ ऐसा है कि गार्गी राउत को ये रोल दिया है कि ऑफेंस लेने का काम तुमको दिया है. मतलब कुछ भी देखो, दिन में अगर कुछ लगे, दूर दूर तक रेसिज्म चिल्लाने का मौका मिले, तो गार्गी राउत इज द वन हु विल बी लाइक अभी लाइव कॉल करते हैं, चलो रेसिज्म का बात करेंगे.
See, I'm very conflicted about that. On one hand, I think it is disrespectful a little bit. Like it's disrespectful to use the word grovel. Like there is no, you can definitely say that without reservation. Yes. Is it racist? Like it's not necessarily used in racist context. But yes, there is some history that people are saying it was used in a specific context 40 years ago. I don't know if I subscribe
But
to
even
that.
that context, right? Like the one difference is disrespect and all of that. I agree. The
Yeah.
one difference is that like for like करोगे ना, then you are kind of like, the thing is कि it comes from a white South African, मतलब who was Tony Greig playing for England,
yeah,
talking about black cricketers in an era where apartheid is going strong and South Africa is bad. So that's the overarching context under which that word is very problematic. So he had said it against, say, an Australian team, it wouldn't have had the same, it would have been
Correct.
disrespectful, but it wouldn't have had the same baggage, that
Correct.
racial baggage. Even if Tony Greig didn't mean it to with a racial baggage, which in fact even Viv Richards and Michael Holding have said that he didn't really mean it in that sense. He was matlab, but we took it that way because we needed something to egg us along, right? So it was disrespectful for a black team to be spoken of that way. यहाँ पे वो context नहीं है ना. It comes from a person of color again.
Yeah.
तो while it might be on a sporting sense disrespectful, तुम वो छोड़ के हो गया अभी तो ये N word यूज करने जैसा हो गया, ये सब मतलब
That is
that
extreme.
trivializes the history of slavery and all of that.
Yeah.
But
And once again, इसमें भी Bavuma had the right choice
Yeah.
of words. He said, "What's a?" If you heard it, please.
Yeah, he said that he's like basically he was like he's a grown man. He's like a 60-year-old man. So like he will definitely reflect on his words and मतलब basically maturity. Like there was a mature thing to say and like
Hmm.
he knows how to like जो भी स्टेटमेंट दे रहे हैं वो मतलब वो इससे क्या टीम हार्मनी को मद्देनजर रख के या मतलब वो चीज ज्यादा उस चीज पे इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़े इस टाइप के स्टेटमेंट्स देते हैं मतलब लाइक इज नॉट लाइक ही जस्ट नोज कि टीम टीम को किस तरीके से इससे डैमेज लिमिटेशन हो सकता है वो करके इज लाइक giving those statements. So like very commendable way to deal with a very tricky situation once again.
Yeah.
And that is what you expect.
Yeah,
That is what you
of course.
expect from Demba Bavuma so far.
Yes.
He's such a statesman. Any other notes on the test? Wait, actually, I wanted to ask this question. Why does Gambhir keep insisting this is a team in transition?
which it is not. Even at least if you go back to the point where he was handed this team, there's nothing like a team in transition at that point. उसने किया है, मतलब सब कुछ
Yes,
तोड़
खुद
ताड़
किया
के
उसने.
तुम बोलोगे अभी ट्रांजिशन में हो तो फिर एंड उसमें भी देखो इफ यू जस्ट पिक randomly, right? Jaiswal been around for a while, played across पूरा सेनाटोर का कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो गया है. केएल राहुल एक डेकेड से है, बुमराह, सिराज, कुलदीप, सुंदर, गैबा का घमंड होके 5 साल हो चुका है. फिर और कौन है? अक्षर पटेल. हु एक्सेप्ट लाइक ध्रुव जुरेल एंड
नहीं
हु एल्स?
नहीं, एक सेकेंड.
पंत को मल्टीपल साइकिल्स ऑफ सेनाटोर्स हो चुका है. शुभमन गिल को गैबा का घमंड वाला इरा से वो भी है. कौन है ट्रांजिशन में यहाँ?
नहीं
तुम
तो
सबका हाथ पैर तोड़
इंग्लैंड
के
सीरीज
बोलोगे.
में
हाँ.
इंग्लैंड सीरीज में किसी जर्नलिस्ट ने पूछ लिया था ट्रांजिशन के बारे में, तो वो बोला था, आई डोंट बिलीव इन द वर्ड ट्रांजिशन, दिस इज द इंडियन टीम, आई डोंट यूज द वर्ड ट्रांजिशन, दे आर जस्ट अ बिट इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड.
Like that. So I don't know, ये
Today
बहुत
he says,
niche.
today he says, this is exactly what transition is. Young players are learning on the job. You've got to give them time.
तो एक शो है, आई डोंट नो आप लोगों ने देखा है कि नहीं, इट्स वेरी नीच रेफरेंस, मिथिक क्वेस्ट बोल के एक एप्पल टीवी में एक शो है. तो इट इज अबाउट दिस गेम डेवलपमेंट कंपनीज ऑफ लाइक टेक ब्रोज एंड डूड ब्रोज. बेसिकली उनका सीईओ है, उसको कोई बोलता है टाइम के बारे में कुछ पूछता है तो आई डोंट डू टाइम. तो दिस इज लाइक दैट. गंभीर, आई डोंट डू ट्रांजिशंस ऐसे. तो क्या बोले, गंभीर में एक टेक ब्रो
He does.
एनर्जी तो है ना.
हाँ, एकदम एकदम एकदम. आई थिंक परफेक्ट. अगर वो एक एचएसआर लेआउट के बर्जनिंग स्टार्टअप में सीईओ का रोल अदा कर सकता है, जहाँ लोगों को बोलेगा कर काम 26 घंटे, मैं
3 मिनट में
27
मेरे को
करता हूँ.
डिलीवरी चाहिए, ब्लिंकिट साथ में दे रहा है, तू घर पे बैठ उनके. हर बिल्डिंग में गोडाउन बनाएगा मैं. एक्चुअली इफ यू थिंक ऑफ दैट, दैट्स अ मोर ह्यूमन स्टार्टअप. इंडिया में वैसा नहीं हो सकता अनलेस द डिलीवरी पर्सन हैज टू ड्राइव थ्रू पॉटहोल्स इन मिनट्स. खतरा ही नहीं है तो फिर मजा क्या है? रिस्क है तभी तो इश्क है.
तो
One of the
अभी
rejected quotes of Gambhir that I did not use was, I have been brought up watching the Rocky series and First Blood series. I am obviously a big fan of Sylvester Stallone.
I would have never guessed. I would have always thought it was Baz.
Oh
Because
shit, I should have used this.
but then if you think about it, right, like Gambhir ka
Makes
bhi,
a lot
you
of
have to
sense.
understand, like where does that you're just a groundsman statement come
हाँ.
from? Because he is
Yeah.
from privilege,
Yeah.
Yeah.
lived his
गंभीर
life on
गुरुदत्त
Pusa
थोड़ी
Road.
दिखता होगा. गंभीर
हाँ,
not a
exactly.
गुरुदत्त fan
Lived
for
his
sure.
life on Pusa Road, went to modern school Barakhamba Road. I mean, that itself is, and then I think Hindu college. So I think wo is like a triumvirate of privilege in Delhi.
You're just a groundsman.
हाँ, just a
Just a
groundsman.
bloody groundsman. उंगली दिखा के ऐसे.
Yeah.
Uh, आई थिंक ये डाइग्रेशन हो ही रहा है। मैं एक जो चीज मतलब नहीं कहना था बट वो भी कहना पड़ रहा है, ये कि आज विकी पाजी ने क्या नाम है सितांशु कोटक का मॉक किया है। वो सितांशु कोटक का स्पीच ऑफ डिलीवरी डिलीवरी के बारे में उसने बोला, वो तो
विकी
आए थे,
भाजी
वो बोले कि बेटर्स बेटर्स हैव प्रॉब्लम, बेटर्स आर नॉट एबल टू बेट, ऐसा करके विकी पाजी बोल रहा है।
नहीं, और कोटक का लास्ट टेस्ट मैच ये सुन लो कि अरे विकेट तो खराब था यार, गंभीर ने तो अपने ऊपर ले लिया, वो तो इतने बड़े आए हो, उनके बारे में आप लोगों ने ऐसे बोल दिया। बैटर अच्छा नहीं कर रहा, तू तो बैटिंग कोच है, तो तेरा अकाउंटेबिलिटी क्या है? और आज वो पब्लिक को जाके चिल्ला रहा है कि देश के लिए उन्होंने इतना कुछ किया है, आप लोग हाय हाय कर रहे हो गंभीर को देख के। आज वो भी हुआ है गुवाहाटी में, क्राउड ने हाय हाय
भाई
किया है
Yes.
गंभीर को।
जो आदमी पूरा क्रेडिट लेगा उसी को ही तो शिट मिलेगा ना
मिलेगा।
if they don't do well. I don't understand this. Like,
बढ़िया है। तो ये मजा आया, लेकिन
Hmm.
इट कुडंट हैव हैपेंड टू अ शिटियर पर्सन।
I agree. I agree with that.
that's true. Um, तो आप लोगों ने एशेस का लास्ट मैच देखा था? सॉरी,
हाँ
फर्स्ट मैच देखा था?
एशेस के साथ भी आई हैव मोर ऑफ द सेम इश्यू कि मैं एक सेशन देख पाता हूँ, वो भी पर्थ था इसलिए,
हम्म।
तो फाइनल सेशन हो पाता है, वरना इट्स टू अर्ली फॉर मी। बट हाँ, हाइलाइट्स वगैरह तो देखा है। हाँ।
मेरा तो ये कहना है कि जो मिचेल स्टार्क, जिसको रोहित शर्मा ने एक शॉट के साथ वर्ल्ड कप में खत्म कर दिया था,
फिनिश।
Yes. करियर
फिनिश,
खत्म.
कंप्लीटली फिनिश, फिर उसके बाद यशस्वी जायसवाल ने भी उनको फिनिश कर दिया था,
हाँ,
वो
बॉलिंग
फिर
टू स्लो।
कैसे, हाँ यू बॉलिंग टू स्लो माइट, ऐसा जो भी बोले वो he takes 7 for in the first innings, and that I think is back to back career best figures for him. So in the previous test before that he took another 7 for,
West Indies में.
and he took again, हाँ West Indies में, and now he takes another 7 for and completely kills the game.
Yeah.
I think it was masterful. I think Vatsal and I have been talking about Stark realizing his potential, I think, for a decade. I've been his fan for more than that. And बहुत गाली खाया है कि अरे he's not at that level, this, that. But I think also like I've always had this fascination with left armers. तो I've always thought कि कभी तो टाइम आएगा, and I think अब वो टाइम अब जो आया है वो मज़ा आया, बहुत मज़ा आया।
He's
Actually,
actually.
so
Yeah. Go ahead, please.
go ahead, Vatsal.
Like the way he's being able to like bring the ball back like from the past 2-3 years. Like पहले he was like a cross bowler था, खाली बॉल बाहर ही जाता था, but like पिछले 2-3 साल से control he's got control over his line and length, and now he's swinging it both ways. So मतलब and he's like around I don't know 35-36, so like at the end of the career he's just found his peak basically, which is very rare. Matlab, he's actually peaking like not just from form wise but like statistically as well. He's peaking now, and he's doing things that usually you expect someone to do maybe like in their early 30s, so which is very very remarkable. I mean, it's maybe he's sacrificed a lot, like he's not played a lot of IPL, like IPL he's given up so that he can prolong his career now, so I guess he's reaping the benefits of that. So like hats off to him. Matlab, I did not expect this kind of a resurgence, but it's really nice to see. And I think he's like around 3 or 4 wickets away from Wasim Akram as well now.
Like,
Two
I
wickets,
still
two
remember
wickets.
Oh, 2 wickets.
वो उसका so first of all, first innings में ball was not swinging. He only bowled his three-quarter seam wobble ball
Yeah.
equivalent. He used that to get all his wickets. And that ball to Joe Root in the first innings to get him out was just like, I, I mean, the joy of watching fast bowling is just and especially fast bowling in Australia is just
Yeah.
Test cricket in Australia. It's aesthetically pleasing. People are going to say, "Ki, oh, this match got over in 2 days." I will say a lot of it is because of England's stupidity. And in the
Yeah,
first
of
inning,
course.
Australia's nerves, like they looked nervous as well. Like it looked like because of Usman Khawaja not opening, they got a little bit thrown off by that.
Second innings also England stupidity.
Yeah, of course.
Second
Pura
innings, though,
stupid.
England's stupidity is at a different level. Like to be this ahead of the game.
Yeah,
What
if you
happened
guys
is,
see, Stark, like apart from Stark, nobody bowled well in the first innings for Australia.
हाँ.
Like he was the only one.
yeah,
मतलब,
yeah,
And England, to their credit, actually have gotten under the skin of Boland, because
yes,
yes,
Boland is the
yes,
sort of bowler who uh,
rhythm bowler.
who actually Baseball likes, because he's a more predictable and bowler.
yeah,
So they like going after bowlers like that, as opposed to a Bumrah or a Stark, where Bumrah के पास fair degree of variation के around beat है, so it's much harder to suss them
Yeah.
out. तो which is I was surprised कि मतलब, and England have a fairly good seam attack this time, which they never
Yes,
had in
yeah.
the
yes, of
past few
course.
tours. So
I
And
will
this
say I
was
don't
their
think they're
test.
fit.
Like they should have, like this was their best chance. Like after, अब इसके बाद उनके लिए बहुत difficult. Like it's going to be very difficult for them.
fitness is a huge challenge, मतलब, to
Fitness
keep
is a
this attack
challenge for
fit.
them. I think considering the variance that happens in pink ball tests, sometimes they have a good chance there as well. Like in pink
But
ball
like
tests, sometimes
Australia's
depending
record
on,
is very, very good in pink ball.
I agree, but this is
But they lost
Brisbane.
to West Indies
West Indies,
also.
yeah,
Yeah,
only Shamar Joseph, yeah.
yeah, the
That's the only
Shamar
test I
Joseph.
think they've lost.
If Harry Brook is batting at a time when it's good to bat, and Australia are batting at a time when it's bad to bat, like, and they
Yeah,
can't see like Jofra Archer's balls coming at them, like they can be blown away
yes,
in one
that's true.
innings.
Yeah,
It can happen, but yes, like
And
this
if
is
and in
Stark's.
a high variance test match, one Harry Brook inning
yes,
Yeah,
that's true.
a good
Jamie
Jofra
Smith.
Archer spell
yeah,
can account for something. So
yeah.
I
I
definitely
think
feel that
England.
fla- हाँ,
नहीं नहीं आप
Australia at home flatter tracks kind of suit them. मेरे हिसाब से तो वही
Mm-hmm.
है कि
Yeah. And Boland is the perfect bowler for
हम्म,
slightly more
हम्म,
flatter tracks,
हम्म,
right? That's where he does really well.
But like, what do you guys
So,
think about England? Like, I think that is like their whole game, right? Like, baseball ka whole game is flat tracks. So I think that could have been
but I
like
would still,
counterproductive.
but आप कुछ भी बोल लो, baseball still has some method. I can't believe I'm saying this, but गैम्बॉल से ज्यादा मेथड है बेसबॉल में.
Oh,
See,
100%.
they keep
yes.
making the same mistakes, but at least they have committed to something
Yes, yes.
wholeheartedly. And to put it in context, you have to look at baseball from in comparison to where they came from, right? So they had to go for
Yeah, of
something
course.
dramatic because they are doing terribly before that. And now, if you look at it in comparison to what their previous cycle was, they have actually done better. Like they haven't lost a lot at home. They have not won a lot away, or
Yeah.
like they've done well in New Zealand. They haven't really lost to anyone at home, right? Have they lost a series at home? I don't think in this
No,
baseball
they've
era
drawn a
they've
lot.
lost a home
They've
series.
drawn a lot.
They've drawn a
They've
couple.
drawn, yeah.
They've drawn against Australia and India. That apart, they haven't lost to anyone.
No,
So
they haven't.
that's a fairly more successful than Gamble, at least.
But also it's more cult-like. Like the main
Ah,
difference between Gautam Gambhir and Baz McCullum, apart from completely different philosophies, is that the team believes more in Baz McCullum,
mm.
and the team kind of disagrees with
and
Gautam
here the
Gambhir.
team is afraid of.
No.
I don't think they disagree. Also, I don't even know they know what to think. Whether we
Yeah,
agree, disagree, वैसा.
yeah,
हाँ आई
that's
थिंक
right.
ये द टीम डजंट हैव अ से इन एनीथिंग. आई थिंक वो बस जो बोला वो करना है, नहीं किया तो निकाल दिए जाओगे.
मतलब
So
polar opposites.
that's where I feel like, that's where I feel like even that absurdity is still better.
Yeah.
Because England can still have hope of like fine tuning. कोई बोल सकता है कि Joe Root, you bat like the way you do, and then everyone will go baseball around you. कुछ एक दो मेथड करके then they'll still be in the series. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कर रहे ना एटलीस्ट कि सडनली आके वो शोएब बशीर आके ओपन करेगा, वो नहीं होगा ना उधर. वो जस्ट
And
सबको बोल रहा है पागलों की तरह बैटिंग करो.
किया हुआ
Hmm.
उन्होंने. Like Headingley में that's how they chased the target.
हाँ,
Like they didn't want like going like for every ball. Like
Yeah.
they were playing
every
आराम
ball.
से.
हाँ.
Yeah. तो
They
ऐसा नहीं है
can
कि
do
they've
it,
not
right?
done
They
it.
have done it
Exactly.
recently.
Yeah.
Lords में they batted sensibly.
Yeah.
Lords first innings, they toned it down. The first day they didn't even get to
Yeah.
300, right? They were 280
Yeah.
or 260 for 4 or something of that order.
Uh-huh.
So they can do it.
But they only
Just that in
allow
Australia they have just
they only allow very few of their players to be able to do that. So that's the other thing. Like Ben Stokes generally
Stokes
is the
and
guy
Root.
who will absorb.
Stokes and Root.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So Stokes will absorb pressure, and if he was better at batting, they might have better results.
Yeah.
I think he's probably lost a little of his batting skill, and he's such a bunny for
And
just
not just now, like it's been over
stuck.
2-3 years now.
Uh,
He's not been doing well with the bat. Like he's just playing on
We-
reputation and captaincy. Like
yeah.
obviously bowling, he's
Going
doing
back
well,
to
but
the
like
last Ashes, so he was, I think his last really great series was the last Ashes, where he almost pulled off another miracle at Lords, that Bairstow run out wala
Yeah.
controversy and all of that.
Yeah.
But generally, I still feel they have the game to at least win a couple more tests in this series than before.
Yeah.
especially if
And it'll
have
be
the
more
squad
fun
to
as
do
a
it.
and
series.
especially अगर Hazelwood, if he doesn't play for like a couple of more tests, that'll like England को बहुत help मिलेगा उससे.
Hazelwood has
मतलब
started
at this
bowling in the
point,
nets.
at this point, it's not about resources for England. It's just basically it's become a game of ego ना. मतलब उनका ऐसा है कि
Yeah.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में तो हम ऐसे ही खेलेंगे. मतलब even if we give ourselves that luxury of not playing baseball against India, this is a tour that we built this whole philosophy around, and now we are not going to take a step back. मतलब वो kind of एक cultish mentality है तो.
उनका क्या है कि they also phased out some of their players at the wrong time. So like Gambhir phased out Ashwin at I think not the right time to phase out Ashwin. They phased out Anderson. And now imagine in this game if they had like 200-ish to defend and Anderson was opening the bowling and keeping things tight up front, right? Like you could have seen a slightly different game. Like you don't have to play both Wood and Archer and Atkinson and Cars. Cars maybe this is the only pitch that he can bowl well on, but you don't have to bowl if you don't have to get all your pace battery all at the same time.
They also have tongue,
I-
na?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have tongue, and I think Aditya,
Tongue.
did you say this or MV say this? That Australia they're fine with playing high pace. Like there's a point at which like they can also score pretty well of pace and bounce compared to other teams.
I think one of the things that is very clear is that ki a lot of runs that are scored in Australia are scored over a period of time. So runs भी ना phases में आता है. I know that in the India series last year they went into a shell because Bumrah was phenomenal. But if you look at what commentators were saying then was that you have to spend time. And I think वो time जब स्मिथ ने स्पेंड किया, वो टाइम जब क्या बोल तो फिर हंड्रेड्स आ गया था. And then Bo Webster did it again at the end. Now I think in this series as well, I think because England bats so fast, they are neither going to get they are not going to get the best entry points for Stokes and Jamie Smith because they will come in early. It's that standard
Yeah.
problem. Ball soft नहीं हुआ लेकिन जेमी स्मिथ आ गया. Ball soft नहीं हुआ लेकिन स्टोक्स 9 for 4 ऐसा कुछ संभाल रहा है अचानक से. And all of this eventually boils down to the fact that the cog in their wheel is Joe Root, who's going to struggle because he's essentially going to be an opener, right? And when you move that to Australia, everyone in their team and excluding let's say Travis, they're ready to grind the time ना. मतलब मार्नस इज ओके, वो पूरा दिन खेलेगा, उसको कुछ जाता नहीं है. 40 रन बना के वो पूरा दिन खेलेगा, वो घर जाएगा, बियर पिएगा, अगले दिन वाके वापस बैटिंग करेगा.
They're going to regret
There is a
bringing Labuschagne into form, by the way. Go on.
yeah, they will because see, one of the other things is also कि people like Labuschagne have tremendous amount of respect for getting to where they have, and they value each and every innings also ना. वो एक
Yeah.
बहुत मतलब it's an underrated thing. I know you're playing for country and all of that, but वो difference in application भी बहुत बार दिख जाता है. तो वो एक है कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज गोइंग टू एंजॉय स्पेंडिंग मोर टाइम इन द मिडल, टायरिंग आउट दीज बॉलर्स, विच विल ब्रिंग बैक द पॉइंट दैट आदित्य वाज सेइंग कि फिटनेस, because England are going to bowl so much more than let's say
Australia.
Australia will,
And with smaller
And also
gaps, right?
get
No
with smaller
Yeah.
gaps. Yeah, exactly.
with
Yeah.
smaller gaps.
And also,
Yeah,
like
that's going to be
one thing that I was also thinking, like baseball has to change. Matlab, in some way, they have to change because the grounds are just bigger. Like you cannot clear the grounds on a consistent basis. Like जैसे even in England they do, and India में, like I don't think like obviously कोई world में there are no places where the grounds are as big as that. So you have to play into gaps. You have to like play the waiting game sometimes. You can't just keep on going at 5-6 runs and over. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में possible ही नहीं है ये. I feel कि थोड़ा
Yeah,
सा you
this
have
is
to
why I
tone it down.
thought this is why I thought like Harry Brook especially, who uses the shortness of grounds in England specifically well to hit sixes. Like I feel like he's going to struggle. Like he may come off at times when the catches don't fall into the hands of the Aussie players, but yeah, I don't think he's going to be as successful as he is in England.
But I still hope we see like this one session of madness where it
Yeah.
all comes off. Well, I just want to see that. I don't have any skin in the game, so I just want that to happen. I want Archer to have like a six for
ब्रिस्बेन में हो
something.
सकता है. स्क्वायर बाउंड्रीज
हाँ.
छोटे हैं, मे बी पॉसिबल.
होते हैं.
We can do well in Brisbane.
एक और जो बात
I don't see
करना था
Crawley
वो
doing well. I don't know if it
Crawley,
will. Crawley, although has
Crawley
been picked
for
for Australia. Australia
yes,
is
exactly.
वो
bouncier
170
conditions
मारेगा
player.
and
But I
they'll
feel,
pick him.
but I don't think he'll come off. I don't get this.
the worry for England is कि उसका 5 साल का जो ये करियर है is all was prepared for this
For this.
For
Yes.
this
For
कि
this
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रन
Australian tour.
बनाएगा वो. हाँ,
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जाके ये रन बनाएगा भाई.
क्योंकि
तो
उसका गेम बैकफुट वाला है तो हाँ.
Yeah, but I think the demons that probably Mitchell Stark will have put in his mind, especially first innings in the first over, second innings again, that sensational catch, ये बहुत
मैच
difficult होने वाला है.
मैच का बात तो बहुत होता रहेगा, लेकिन मैं माहौल का बात करना चाहता हूँ. मतलब कि एक तो वो ऐसा क्यों कंपलसरी है क्या कि जब भी ओवरसीज कोई दिन 15 विकेट गिरता है, ये देखो हमारे इधर गिरता है, तो ऐसा. बट यू जस्ट लुक एट इट ऑब्जेक्टिवली ना कि विकेट 15 विकेट किसी भी विकेट पे अगर गिर सकता है. मतलब इट्स नॉट अबाउट हाउ मेनी विकेट्स फेल ऑन अ गिवन डे इन अ टेस्ट मैच. यू आल्सो हैव टू लुक एट इट ऑब्जेक्टिवली कि किस कारण से विकेट गिरा है. if it's spin, it's still okay. Some of your pitches you don't even know how much it will bounce. To the kind of pitches we have made, there is no hope left in the test match in
Yeah.
India if 15 wickets fall on the first day. ऐसा कोई इंडिया में टेस्ट मैच देखा है पहला दिन 15 विकेट गिरा, फिर वो स्लो हो गया, सेकंड इनिंग्स में ज्यादा रन बन रहा है? दैट प्रोग्रेशन
Right.
कैन नॉट हैपन इन एन इंदौर में जो 2023 में जो विकेट बना है उसमें हो ही नहीं. वो पहला दिन अगर 15 गिरा तो अगला दिन 20 विकेट गिर सकता है. मतलब दैट इज the only change that can happen there. So my point is कि if you want to make a point ना कि बाहर लोगों का double standards है, then pick a test match where it actually makes sense. Some of the pitches in South Africa are diabolical. Cape Town में the one that India played on, South Africa कुछ 70-80 ऑल आउट हो गया था पिछले टूर में, double digit में they got bowled out and we won that test match in a day and a half or something. Those sort of pitches that day you can question कि अरे इस विकेट के बारे में बोलो. This is not the wicket यार. तुम लोगों का क्रिकेट देखना पड़ता है ना कि 15 विकेट is not equal to 15 wicket. That is not how you view the world.
It already got better to bat on by the time it was batting, and
Yeah.
By
I
the
mean
time
some of it
England
is
were
because of
batting,
his skill.
Even when England were
That's
batting, yeah,
true,
like
towards the
they were
end.
99 for 1. Yeah.
Yeah.
no, and even England were 99 for 1, right? At point effectively at some stage.
Yeah, effectively,
So
yes. So they just gave it away with bad shots. Like that's all. Like Boland was not bowling some. He was
Yeah.
bowling
This
okay,
is
but
how
he's
they
not
won.
bowling special.
and then what they'll do is they'll follow it up with like why are 1-0 up. Next test match में one bowler less to keep the lead.
It's very
क्योंकि उसको
defensive.
गंभीर को क्या लगता है ना कि
Year of
what you
failure.
said, right? Like how you bat then decides how much gap your bowlers get, and there is a spiral secondary tertiary effect for every decision that you make. गंभीर को वो secondary tertiary नहीं दिखता. उसको लगता है एक bowler हटाया मतलब that is all that will happen. Someone else will bowl that 10 overs. He doesn't think of 10 lower quality overs, फिर तुम्हारा seamers will get overbowled, फिर batters will get tired by fielding longer. तो ये जो सेकेंडरी टर्शियरी इफेक्ट है वो गंभीर के दुनिया में नहीं है. वो आई डोंट थिंक बेसबॉल भी वो सोचता है.
Yeah, they don't think like if I
Hmm.
if I am if I am Baz McCullum and I have a pace battery and two of those players are very injury prone. One has just come back, like a third guy has just come back from an injury few months ago. Like they're going to struggle on their third spells, on their fourth spells. Why won't I amount of time? Maybe a gap of a couple of days. They've just bowled on the first day. You can tell, like, I think if you saw the speed of Archer when he came back, it was 129. When it was Mark Wood, he came back, it was like low 30s, like low 130s. You can tell, like, these are essentially their third spells. In Mark Wood, it's his second spell. So he's going to struggle. And there is a difference with bowlers. There's a difference between, like, fit to play, like match fit versus like fit. Because match fit requires you to have overs in your legs, which is why I find it strange they're not playing the practice games in between. They're just directly trying to turn up at Brisbane and play because
And the fact is they've been in Australia for so long. Like it's not like they're not there. If you're there,
yeah,
then at least you can play some games. That doesn't
exactly.
make sense to me.
I would have said if you don't want your batters to go, like sometimes the thing is ki your batters can fall short of confidence or whatever. Bowlers ka is not going to be the same,
Yeah.
right? Like you are good enough to like destroy a president's 11 if you're Archer or Wood or Atkinson, like you will do well in those games regardless. But it helps with general match fitness. Yeah.
But
I don't
I still
know.
enjoyed the test match.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it was a
I
good.
enjoyed it a lot.
It was really fun. मतलब वो
I
no matter it
slept
was
through
2
the
दिन.
entire
हाँ,
Travis Head innings.
हाँ,
So when I woke up, I was like, match khatam?
एंड वो उसके अराउंड एक ही मेरा एक फाइनल एक ही चीज था ऑब्जर्वेशन की इंडियन फैंस बार बार ये क्यों बोलते रहते हैं कि इट्स ओनली अ ड्रीम फॉर बीसीसीआई टू हैव दिस प्रोडक्शन. अरे प्रोडक्शन बीसीसीआई क्या, दिस इज वन टाइम आई विल कम इन डिफेंस ऑफ बीसीसीआई विच इज प्रोडक्शन तो घटिया है, कमेंट्री घटिया है, वो सब तो है, बट हवा का वो नहीं कर सकता है ना. पर
कुछ नहीं कर
कैपिटा
सकते। AQI का
जीडीपी
कुछ नहीं
तुम
कर सकते।
डिनाई कर सकते हो कि ऐसा कोई कंसेप्ट है. मतलब जीडीपी तुम क्यूमुलेटिवली जीडीपी लेस बट हाउ क्लियर वीडियो, मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता है ना. पर कैपिटा जीडीपी इज अ
How
कॉन्सेप्ट.
how CA with only
हाउ
700 crore
700
can
crore.
build this?
हाँ, because most cricket venues in Australia are multi-sport venues, right? And all sporting codes are actually sarkari there in Australia, unlike in India. So it's not private in that sense. So they get a lot
So
of benefits. हाँ.
I want to ask the
नहीं
same
not
people who
नहीं
ask these
नहीं
questions.
it's not.
तुमने फायर क्रैकर्स चलाए थे क्या दिवाली
हाँ.
पे? Are you the same
बहुत
people who are asking these questions?
yeah same people but again I think क्या होता है ये incentive to maintain stadiums also comes from culturally तुम वैसा होना चाहिए ना. अगर culturally you go to a position of power कि मुझे करप्शन करना है एंड नॉट कि मुझे स्पोर्ट को बेटर करना है, तो बहुत डिफरेंस होगा ना. प्लस ऑफ कोर्स स्पोर्टिंग सोसाइटी नॉन स्पोर्टिंग सोसाइटी, आई मीन grim scenes, but today there was a kid who was playing basketball alone practicing on a court, and he just went and grabbed the net, and the net essentially fell on him and he passed away instantly. ये तो मतलब कॉमनवेल्थ और ओलंपिक गेम्स के सपने साकार करने वाला देश है हमारा. एंड वहाँ पे देर इज़ अ डिफरेंट कल्चर ऑल टुगेदर, राइट? लाइक it is important that the spectator has a good time. It is important that the seats where essentially there is no view, there are no tickets sold. वहाँ पे कौवा नहीं टट्टी करके जा रहा है सीट पे.
एंड एक्सेस टू अ डिसेंट क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड.
हाँ.
कि ऐसा नहीं माना जाता है दुनिया में कि अच्छा पार्क ले लो, कोई पब्लिक स्पेसेस ले लो. इन इंडिया यू लॉक इट अप बिकॉज यू फील गरीब आदमी डजंट डिजर्व दैट.
Exactly.
फंडामेंटली वी थिंक कि वो सिर्फ एक सेक्शन को ही वो डिजर्व
आज
करता
ही
है. सो
आज ही मैं किसी से बात कर रहा था.
हाँ.
दे वर लाइक इंडियंस मस्ट बी रियली सरप्राइज्ड, राइट, व्हेन दे गो टू लॉर्ड्स एंड दे सी दैट लाइक यू कैन essentially drink all through the day, and none of that happens in India. I'm like, the people who go to Lords and drink all through the day will be the first people to deny alcohol inside an Indian stadium, because they'll be like, ये लोग नहीं पी पाएंगे, ये लोग अल्कोहल हैंडल नहीं कर पाएंगे. And there's so many caste class issues, right, behind even the maintenance of a stadium. I just like I been it's there in my mind, but like, why aren't Indian stadiums great? Let me explain. uh, it's fairly simple, right? Like, Indian stadiums are designed to host maybe 5 to 7 IPL games a year, and maybe an international game if they are lucky, which means that they'll have cumulatively 10 large big money working days out of 365. Maintaining a stadium which is over a 5 to 10 acre, easily 20 acre land minimum, chalo 20 acre to minimum hoga, is immense manpower on a daily basis. So
Yeah.
how these contracts are given is essentially where the state association provides contracts to security companies and facility management companies / housekeeping companies, where they give them a very small contract for throughout the year, and then there is a special contract added for the game days, where police is also there, additional security is there, additional housekeeping people are there, क्लब हाउस में ज़्यादा लोग रहते हैं, खाना सर्व कर रहे हैं, ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है. तो अगर तुम्हारा ऑल थ्रू द ईयर तुम स्टेडियम को साफ नहीं करोगे तो वो उस दिन कैसे अच्छा दिखेगा? नहीं दिखेगा ना. It doesn't happen in Australia that way because they have A, multi-sport stadiums,
Yeah.
B, they truly maintain those stadiums. क्यों जो स्टेडियम हमने 10 साल पहले देखा था वो आज उससे ज़्यादा बेटर लगता है, और इंडिया में क्यों स्टेडियम पे जो 10 साल पहले देखा था उससे हमेशा खराब ही दिखता है, ये तो कोई नहीं सोच रहा है. तो वो एक दूसरा फैक्टर है. बट इफ देर इज एनीथिंग एल्स तो वो डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. और
I think the
फिर
administration of cricket and it leading to substandard matches, substandard broadcast quality. You know, maybe we should
सॉरी,
have somebody on to talk about it.
नहीं नहीं, ये बेसिक अमेनिटीज का ही बात कर लेते हैं ना, कि पानी क्यों नहीं देते हैं, टॉयलेट क्यों नहीं मिलता है, एंड अगर कुछ हो भी जाए खराब तो भी कुछ नहीं होता है. सो वी हैव द सिचुएशन वेयर इन द पुणे टेस्ट देयर वाज नो वाटर, देयर वर पीपल हु वर नियरली हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड बिकॉज ऑफ डिहाइड्रेशन. We have the situation where there was a stampede at Chinnaswamy and 11 people lost their lives. People who are not even fans, kids, adults, everybody. What is the movement? There is no movement. Why? It's simple. Value of life in India is 0 to 5 lakh rupees depending on media coverage. That's all it is. तो अगर 11 आदमी गुजरा है तो 55 लाख रुपए का लॉस है. पानी का खर्चा उससे ज़्यादा है ना, स्टेडियम मेंटेन करना उससे ज़्यादा महंगा है ना. क्यों करेगा कोई स्टेडियम मेंटेन?
Yeah, na. I want to bring this to almost like a Bhajap level discussion. I know we have to leave soon, but just one statement. If you look at the pilot that died in the Dubai air show doing those maneuvers on the Tejas plane, the fact that you had to have someone from another team, an American team, doing acrobatics there as well, to say that why was the show not stopped after this accident happened? Why were you allowed to just go on and have other people fly and the crowd is engaging and clapping and cheering? I know this happened in another country, but this is a very specific kind of mindset that we have. Like, we don't value human life at all. Not even of people who sacrifice their lives for the nation. Like, this is where these are actual people who put their lives at risk for the benefit of a specific country. They believe in that mission and you can't even respect them. I mean, I have no words. Like, cricket तो बहुत दूर की बात है.
चलें इसी बात पे, खुशी के अवसर पे कॉट बिहाइंड करते हैं.
Caught behind.
That's 4 in a row. There is good. They're going to blow next.
The prodigal son turned Messiah gets his second 100 in successive.
India have won in dramatic style. The whole of Bengal